Hello, everyone. Okay, I'm muted. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me, Ma?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, awesome. Hello, everyone. Sorry for the very long wait. If you're still here, sorry. We're trying to sort some things out in the background. I'm excited to have you here today. Sorry, let me just fix my audio. Yeah, I'm using the wrong mic. How about now? Can you hear me clearer now? Or is it
yeah,
much clearer? Okay, awesome. All right, awesome. So yes, so for today, we'll be like streaming some uh things around like AI stream, AI like live streaming and AI video creation. I'm just trying to like adjust to the camera. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so GM Idris, shout out to Olane Soft for like the comments. Yeah, so for today, we'll be like doing ComfyUI and ComfyStream stuff. We'll be diving deep into it and like getting into the depth of it and stuff. So a bit of backstory. Emmanuel, me, and Jumo are on the live peer cohort. Like doing Comfy UI stream and stuff. So I've been on the team. We've been on that cohort for like 2 weeks now. So this is just a stream for us to like sort of like go into the depth and roots of things and get things set up and maybe create a few workflows to like make open source streaming and showcase that live. So to the Yeah, I think this is right here. To the right of my screen is Emmanuel. Yeah, this is right here, right hand side.
Hi guys, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, awesome. Hi guys, good morning. Yeah, thanks.
With your mic though, can you hear me clearly, Jumo? I don't know. I feel like there's sort of Jumo frozen. I feel like there's sort of
Too much mic
Yeah, I
is
can hear
okay.
you.
can you hear him
Okay.
clearly? Yeah, continue. Just continue. I'm not sure it's very clear on my end. Maybe it's my speakers, but you can continue.
Hey, thank you guys for like sharing this morning. We had a bit of delay. Um, yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, this week, we'll be streaming ComfyUI. Yeah, it's something we've been looking at for the past 2 weeks now. So I'm really excited to get this one. We just started the idea of like playing it as a space and getting started basically. So yeah, my name is Emmanuel. First name is Mia. Yeah, he's been a today to introduce himself. Are you still with us?
Yeah, Jumo, can you hear? Can you hear us?
Uh, I
Jumo,
think it's next.
Jumo, can you hear us?
Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yeah,
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 can
yeah,
Yeah, I can. Can you guys hear me?
yeah.
yeah, we can hear you.
Hello? Uh,
Yeah, we can hear you.
uh, my network is terrible right now.
Oh, but we can
Okay.
hear you though. I don't know if you can hear us.
All right. So, good morning, everyone, and good day to everyone in all different parts. Okay. Yeah. Wow. I think I will need to rejoin.
Okay. So Juma will be rejoining very soon. But meantime, Emmanuel, what do you think we should like start focusing on now? Because it's into like the focus of the stream is like setup and maybe a few examples to like
Mm-hmm.
showcase it. So are we like walking through like those resources or are we just like going through each of like the external tech we use? We're using some sort of GPUs, a GPU provider, I think RunPod or something. To like sort
Yeah,
of set up your GPU, set up the ComfyStream code base locally and stuff. Juma is back.
I think a good was that I think a good starting point there would be like to walk through like the country UI box
So
basically.
okay,
Like
makes sense, makes sense.
yeah, and then you can go from there. Jimo, yeah, you back. Can you hear me?
All right. Yeah, I can hear you guys. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Yeah, we can hear.
yeah.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. Yeah. Cool,
Right.
cool. All right. Good morning, everyone. Good. Good. Happy New Year. Yeah.
Yeah,
First
my
live
bad. I
stream of the
forgot
year.
actually.
So
Happy New Year, everyone.
We need to feel like that's
yeah,
the
yeah.
thing.
All right.
Uh,
Good, good, good. So, the first live stream of the year. So I think it's good, and I'm glad to be with you guys, joining you guys this morning today to see how we can be able to work with ComfyUI and ComfyStream to create real-time video workflows. All right. So let's see what we have. So you guys should just sit back and then enjoy. Yeah.
I watch us try to set it up locally and fix the errors. Because that's always the fun part of all these streams, anyways, when you're like trying to figure out. Remember that stream me and
Yeah.
Emmanuel did when we were like doing the CLI thing, yags and everything, and we're reading
Mm.
talks.
yeah.
Okay, cool, cool, cool. Let me just bring the terminal here so I can. Or do you want to share your screen this time? Or how do you think you should play it out? Because for my own screen, I may need to zoom in a lot.
I think okay, I could share my screen there, but I wanted Jumo to like anchor the import. Sorry. I wanted Jumo
Sorry,
to like put us to the import setup. Um, yeah.
put us to do. Wait, Juma, are you sure you can hear him do like clearly? Or is it just my own speakers?
Can it's breaking. Yeah, it seems like it's
Ima,
breaking. Like
Ima, go to
on Ima,
settings.
I can't hear Ima properly.
Oh,
Ima,
you
let me
can't
show you
hear.
something. Let me quickly share my screen. Let me show you something. So you just go to this place and change it. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, is it like the outfit? I changed it already.
Yeah. Ah,
Mm-hmm.
wait. The output should be your speakers. I mean, to be your like headphones, and the input should be your MacBook's
The,
mic.
mm-hmm.
Do that first. Let's see what happens.
That's what I have currently. Uh,
And that's what you have on StreamYard as well.
mm-hmm.
Interesting. That's very weird. Because with my own like native speakers, I'm very clear with my own native mic. I don't know why, and I'm using headphones too. So it's kind of weird. If I switch now to still be clear,
Yeah,
it's
I can
probably a
hear Toby
StreamYard.
clearly. Toby, can you hear me
Yeah, I'm using
clearly?
I'm using this mic. That's why I'm using this mic. But I can switch to like
Mm.
it's kind of weird. We can't really hear you clear. Like it's the sound. It's like the sounds are like your voice is muffled.
Yeah, and I don't know why I'm getting this because I think when I like kind of disconnect the effort, I mean the headphones, the
Mm,
sound gets better. I get, but like with this setting, I'm not sure it's supposed to be like that. Uh,
it's kind of weird. Okay,
uh,
coffee stream. Can you
I'll
see?
just try.
Wait, I can hear you. It's so clear right now.
It's
Like it's
clear
very
now.
very clear. Like very very clear.
I mean, I've actually not changed anything. I mean, I
It's
still have
very
like the
very
same
clear now.
setting.
No, but
Uh,
it's like I don't know. I don't know. It's like very very clear now.
okay. Um, I guess that's good.
Kind of
Yeah,
breaking a
cool.
bit.
I'll try to, yeah, maybe after this stream, I'll try to like figure out what was making it
Yeah, sure, no
um,
problem.
on the
Okay,
client
so
side.
so you said we should talk about Comfy UI, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Let me show my.
So,
Oh, you want to share your screen?
yeah,
No,
so
no.
let me just
Yeah.
open
Go ahead.
uh,
No,
Comfy. Can you see my screen?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah. So basically, we could walk through like this comfy UI, mostly like the docs,
Mm-hmm.
and I guess there are some like example workflows that we could
Yeah.
go through, and
Mm-hmm.
and try to like replicate those ones
Yeah.
before we do the comfy stream. So basically, what is Comfy UI? The most powerful open source node based application for creating images, videos, and audios with generative AI. So basically, what you have is like it's basically like media manipulation, videos, audios, and the likes with like AI prompts and all.
Mm.
Um, so generate videos and images using the latest open source models. Okay, customize your workflow with custom nodes. Okay, so I don't know, before we like go deep into this,
Yeah.
so I would like to like point out, I want us to like point out the the difference between like um comfy UI and like comfy stream. So I
Mm-hmm.
know some people would have a lot of people who have like questions about what they saw like us saying we would be doing like a setup for comfy stream. So
Yeah.
comfy stream is very similar to comfy UI, right?
Mm-hmm.
Only that with comfy stream, what we aim to achieve with comfy stream is like doing this video manipulation real time. Like let's say you're live streaming and you're doing all this manipulation real time as you're live streaming.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
that's sort of what Comfy Stream hopes to achieve. So with Comfy UI, you normally have the normal static image or maybe video. You upload a video, you
Yeah.
do a workflow, yeah, and then you get the output. So, but with this one, we want to do with Comfy Stream, we want to have that real time, real time output. Uh, for your videos and maybe audios. So let me just open up. I think the docs is somewhere around here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Community written for Comfy UI. Mm.
Honestly, I think the
So
idea
we
of
might
like
need.
what ComfyStream does and ComfyUI does like really insane though. Yeah, you were saying.
Yeah. No, I was saying like we might need to like download some packages, but you could go on. Go on.
Yeah, like
Let me see.
I was just saying about like um I don't know if anybody in the audience knows like anything or something. But with anything, you can essentially create any workflow for any operations that you do daily or that involves anything sort of like maybe a bunch of applications or anything, but you can sort of automate that kind of operation using like AI,
Yeah.
and all you have to do is like a bunch of workflows that with custom nodes that have built-in logic for them. Comfy UI like is very similar to that, but like now think video creation. You can create any kind of video, um, by with just a bunch of workflows that you like put together and
Mm-hmm.
generate that.
Yeah, and the beauty of it is that the workflows are like they are like standalone. They are not like attached to a video. So you could build
Yes.
a certain workflow and then you could use it like in multiple videos, that kind
Mm-hmm.
of thing.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
yeah,
Yeah. So yeah,
mm,
so we're setting this up locally, yeah? Or
yeah. So this is like manual
Um,
installation.
oh, there's no installation
Hmm.
for Mac though. Okay, wait, you have to use
Yeah, they
manual
have
for
like
Mac.
a manual. Yeah.
For Mac. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to clone the
So
repo.
then
So maybe you
see,
want to
we
walk
have
through
to
that.
copy this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me open my terminal real quick.
Yeah, you wanted to say something, Jumo?
so yeah, I just wanted to speak more like the coffee you and the coffee stream, right?
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
in terms of like the developments, we use the coffee UI from our local desktop, right? And then we use the coffee stream on RunPod. So RunPod is basically the environments we use to run the server. That's basically the main server, which is the ComfyStream. So
Yeah.
ComfyStream is basically what is responsible for creating, basically building the real-time AI video workflows, basically. But we need to run the ComfyUI from our local desktop in order to make like edits, create like custom nodes, basically things like that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
in terms of installation, we're going to be installing the ComfyUI on our. So what Emma is basically doing is installing the ComfyUI on our local desktop, and then after I would move to installing the config stream on our ROM pod. So as I said, ROM pod is basically um, the development server that is helping us to manage the config stream itself, the config stream.
Mm-hmm.
So once my is done,
Yeah.
we would look at that after.
Yeah. So for sure. Exactly.
Okay. Um, wait. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes. Okay, why am I getting permission denied? What's the problem?
Dual cloning.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to do SSH thing. We can set that up off stream. Let me just give you the link to the repo directly so that you just use the normal traditional cloning. It's trying to clone with SSH, so that's the problem. So the link to the
Oh,
repo
yeah.
I just sent it to the private chat. Um you can I'm sharing it to the audience now too. So you can just use normal git clone with it and that should work for it.
Okay. Mm,
So git clone.
copy.
You're not sharing your screen though.
I'm not sharing my screen.
Yeah, you're not.
Oh, I thought my screen was up actually. Uh, boom. So
Okay,
I just
so
do git.
sorry. Git clone, yeah. So from
Yeah.
there to the Comfy UI. And I finally even fixed that my that issue I had with with my code. Do you dot, want to use WA business or phone? With my code dots not working in terminal. I just saw like I don't know why I saw that fixed.
Oh, I think you could do it through VS Code, Abi. Was it VS Code?
Yeah, I had to do it through VS Code, yeah.
Yeah.
So we need to create an environment with Conda. So we need to install mini
So let me
Conda.
see.
Interesting. Mini Conda. Oh, a miniature installation of Anaconda distro.
Yeah,
It's only
open
Conda and
it.
Python. Okay, so how do we install it? Okay.
Should we use command line? Let me see.
It's crazy how Python can like script most of these things and like has support for most of these sort of AI uh uh thingies in general. It'll be fun to see another scripting language, maybe PHP or JavaScript to do AI stuff, if possible. I guess Python is more like
Yeah.
can run anywhere or something like that. And with its VM and everything.
Mm-hmm. JavaScript is also a scripting language, but I don't think it has like
Yeah, it
that
can't run
full
everywhere.
capabilities.
You need that
Yeah.
engine for it to run. Yeah.
You need that
You
JavaScript
can't just
engine, exactly.
yeah. But if you had like a complete setups, like say you're using Node or something, you should probably still be able to run it in most places because Node is still environment what's the word multi platform, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So just installing Conda now.
Yeah.
Why is this thing taking so long
So
though?
let's go
Probably have
back to
installed all these
this.
things.
Mm-hmm. So
Conda is
okay,
not.
they are like GPU with their
Yeah, stuff.
GPU
Still have seen stuff.
dependencies.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, they want us to use like Oh, I see what they are doing. They want us to use this in like a sort of uh virtual environment, like a VM in our machine. So that's why they want us to put Conda in there.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I think for the ComfyStream, I saw like an example that they use like a Docker container, so like
Yeah,
Dockerizing stuff. Mm-hmm.
Docker would have been so great for this because we just run the image and move on.
Yeah. This is taking a while though.
I already
Mm.
set up. I already set up both the mini Conda and I've installed those comfy EMV and everything.
Mm. And
So
my
GPU is the next
network
thing.
is slow, I guess.
Oh shit.
So which GPU are we supposed to? Well, not are we installing all of them?
Now we're using AMD, I think. Wait, are we installing all of them? That's a good question actually.
Yeah.
Install GPU
So
dependencies. I think it's three of them. Oh wait. Oh wait. I use AMD though. Our machines are AMD. Or I'm curious. Oh wait, is it Mac? Mac ARM Silicon? No, that's not it. Wait, which one is it actually? Because
or are
Intel.
we? I think we are supposed to install all of them, but I'm not sure, Sha.
Let's
I
check
think
the
it's going to be Mark
setup
ARM.
This Sabi.
ComfyUI. What did you say?
It has to be the
So
Mark
Juma is
ARM.
saying it should be the Mac ARM.
For us, yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Let's just work with that then. And if it doesn't work, we just know we can just come back to install them. There's really nothing crazy to lose. Mm, okay, so installing that now. This installation is making me look like a hacker. It's like showing all these terminal things. I mean, it
Um,
doesn't look or feel like a hacker. Hacker in movies. Hollywood hacker.
no,
NPM
no.
install. I saw one movie where somebody did NPM install.
Hollywood,
I can't.
not Nollywood, Nollywood hackers will
So
not
that
even
felt
go
very good
this
for the
far.
person.
Good. It's not also weird that
Uh,
Python calls their own package.json requirements.txt. Call it requirements. Such a
No, it actually makes
this
sense actually because like it is required. I'll
actually
abstract
like
this. So I think the
if you think
naming
about it,
convention is good.
requirements. So you know that okay, these are the dependencies I need.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wait, did I not install? Did I just install Conda? Oh, I need to do this. My bad.
Yeah, you need
Source
to
that
like refresh your
activate.
terminal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think I've installed that as well. So now start the application.
And this. Okay. Let's close this. Let's open it back.
Oh shoot! Please don't tell me that is what I was supposed to be doing.
Okay.
Oh god! Something else
Okay.
has been installed in the wrong
Conda is
place.
activated. Let me copy this mark. That's next.
Oh, okay. I'm already. I was already in the. Oh my bad.
And
Okay, I think mine is running now. But I don't know. Is something supposed to happen?
I mean, you should have like a port or something that you could view, like
So
when
it's
it's up.
running. It's showing my virtual RAM. It's showing the total RAM. Then it's just saying using sub quadratic optimization for attention. If you have memory or speed issues, try using split cross attention, and that's pretty much where it stopped.
I
I don't know
actually
what that
like
means,
this
honestly.
terminal.
Okay, that
I
started
like the way the
just a long
terminal.
time. Yeah. What
Uh,
terminal is this that I was going to ask?
it's WAP. Yeah, I saw it online.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
There's this one that's been trending now, Ghosty or something. I think that's the new one people are talking about. Um, I
Uh,
tried to set up WAP one time though, because Jumo said it's in the backstage. Sec. Okay.
toop, 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 toop.
Okay, my server is live now. Oh, I'm seeing this workflow thing. But yeah, yep.
Um, why is this taking by touch? So downloading. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I think.
Terminal looks beautiful though, like really, really nice. Everything is
Mm-hmm.
rendering very well too. I like the vibe. But I've just been using like native. I had this terminal I set up one time that like wheelchair like sort of introduced me to. Sort of like this retro terminal that looks like all those 1980s TV kind of thing. Like a terminal like
Oh.
that, like yeah, blinky sort of. But it was sort of like a skin of terminal. It wasn't really anything too crazy. But honestly, I've been using the like native Mac terminal, and it's been great so far. Anyways.
Mm-hmm. I just felt like this has like AI integrated into it, and I like
Oh, for you?
the yeah, I
Does
like
does it
the
have like
UI
auto suggestion
display.
and stuff?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, nice,
So
nice, nice. So yeah, Jumo, we're like, I've already set it up. Even like I already have the stuff running, but that's how far we've gotten. So you might like currently setting up and stuff.
mhm. So I think once this is
That's good.
done, we just need to run this to start it, and then we can move on.
Yep. Mm. You know that it took me like uh, it was earlier this week. I found out that for you to zoom in with like external mouse, you have to hold Command key, and then after holding Command key, you now roll this scroller for it to zoom in and out. It was under one designer's thread on Twitter that I saw it. Like you just hold the command key and then you zoom like this. I actually didn't know how to do it. I just use the normal touchpad.
Oh, you use normal touchpad to zoom, like.
Yeah, like even with my mouse, I didn't know there was a way to like just zoom in like this.
Okay. No, I don't want to do this. Python underscore.
Wait, I need to-
Okay. So I guess mine is also about to. It's running already. So
This is interesting because what is happening?
What's the issue?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I was
So
like,
I'm
what's the
running
issue
into
you're
this.
facing?
I was trying to run a queue on that I have here, like with the set with the like one with the GUI I have, but like I'm running into one error about CKPT underscore name unknown or something like that because it's like a default workflow already here that was supposed to like
when you're
run
trying
with them. So,
to.
yeah, I was just trying to run the workflow to generate the video or something, but for some reason it's being weird about it.
Okay. I think we are up now. Yip, yip, yip,
Yeah,
yip.
because
But since
yeah,
yeah,
first off, like
CK,
we've not connected to ComfyStream or Robot.
oh for you like the models, so the models are not available. Is that what you're saying? Am I if you try to run Q for example, that Q button at the bottom,
Yeah,
press it. Oh, you have to save the
yeah.
workflow.
Test workflow.
Yeah, how did you save it though? You just do Control S. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Then I should run what? What this I should do?
Yeah, just press that blue button at the bottom. You're saying something, Jumo.
Well, I said that we need the next step is basically for us to get the run port set up
Oh, for you to run.
for yeah,
That was
yes.
that was what I saw. That was why I saw this error that you just saw now.
Mm,
CKPT
yeah.
something.
Now, did you install the GP? Did you install the Mac
Yeah,
whatever
that was the
Yeah,
only
I
ARM
stuff.
did.
silicon
Yeah.
stuff? So let's get into the run port then.
Okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. But wait, if we already have okay, wait, do we need the local GPU to work together with ROMpod? Or is ROMpod not supposed to do everything for us?
That's what I'm saying. They
Or
are
do we
supposed to
have?
work together. So run port basically, when we set it up, we expose like ports, like that 1288 ports, and then
Yeah.
the ports, whatever. Yeah, it exposes it for us to be able to run the config stream. That's what I was talking about before. That it helps us to manage the
Oh.
real time AI workflow itself. So
Yeah,
yeah. So
but if you didn't
can you
have
try
ROMpod,
to
if we didn't have ROMpod, would we have been getting that error though? That error we just saw now. I mean,
I
if you had
guess
ROMpod
I
rather.
guess so because they're supposed to work hand in hand. It's meant to work together with it too.
Okay,
So
sounds
wait,
good.
how
So
then
we
do we
can give
like
it a
set up the
test.
run pod?
I
Yeah.
think just
So
via
can
the
you
link.
go to RunPod? Can you open up RunPod? Yeah, just open RunPod. RunPod. Yeah.
ROMpod.
Yeah. and
So
so
run pod
sign
is
in
like a GPU.
with the email you used.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
it helps us to
They're
manage
like
the
GPU providers,
instance.
like cloud
Mm.
cloud GPU providers. Okay,
Just continue.
I'm
Yeah,
in.
continue to go. All right. All right.
Oh
Deploy.
damn,
Click on deploy.
Lloyd, where's that?
Uh,
Okay, I'm there already.
scroll
Oh,
down.
this is AMD. Oh, I see.
So AMD is what we are
Ah,
using, right?
no,
So
we used the other.
No, I used AMD though. I installed AMD.
what did you use?
I
This
installed
was what
AM.
I
Emma,
Oh
what did
wait,
you
used.
use?
I installed
I
ARM.
used Mac ARM,
Yeah.
ARM.
Oh, let
but we
Right.
haven't
Let's go.
let's install
seen.
Let's go back to Rampart.
let's install AMD then.
No, let's
I
see
mean, there's no
RM
problem.
because AMD is quite expensive. Three
Yeah.
dollars per hour. Let's let's go down.
There's no
They should
ARM
support
here.
ARM.
I'm seeing the
Oh,
entire like list here. There's no ARM.
Yeah, it's only
yeah, I can
um
see
Nvidia.
Nvidia.
Nvidia and yeah
Oh, Nvidia is cheap
and
though.
AMD.
Maybe we should set up Nvidia.
Yeah, exactly. Nvidia is cheap. Is it? Is the GPU we're
But
supposed to
it
install
depends on.
agnostic of your system? I don't know. I don't know
Oh, that's what I'm not
if it's
sure.
supposed to be that way or.
Did they have like docs
Can you
somewhere? We
try
don't really get
installing
docs.
Nvidia?
Uh,
No.
okay. Yeah.
You can leave it at the the higher you go, the more money you're about to spend.
Yeah, the more expensive. Yeah, I know. I was just trying to like test something. Oh, this is crazy.
Oh, I don't think it matters what GPU we have locally to be able to use run pod. Because for what I'm seeing here, they just offer all the GPUs. So you cannot choose anyone you want. I think Tesla even has GPUs. That's crazy.
So should we just try one of these to see if it works? But I mean, we want to try something that we're sure of. That's another thing. So we
Mm-hmm.
don't just try it and
Yeah, exactly. So let's. Is there a guide? I think Jumo shared one guide to set up ComfyUI. Maybe you can share that with us. Maybe that
well,
link.
I mean,
Actually, I
if,
can just put it through while you are not.
You
okay,
already done it before.
let me stop sharing my screen then.
Not completely because I had some issues with kind of like setting up on my local Windows. um, but if NVIDIA could, if installing NVIDIA could work on your systems, I think we can just move on with the NVIDIA.
No, according to what I'm seeing on this guy that Eric wrote. So Eric was talking about using the local machine directly with RunPod. Let me share the article with you. You can just open it up.
Okay. All right. That's if we use SSH, right?
Let me see what he's doing. You can open the link and share a screen to him. But I'm looking at it. So
Okay.
what he's doing here is
Let me.
it starts up. Okay, yeah, SSH. Yeah. So you SSH into the
Let me
server.
show you guys what I'm talking about. Well, it's kind of sensitive, so we cannot like share the stuff on it. So, but let me. Um, so, Ima, can you pull up your? I'm going to share something here in the chat so that you can set up. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Let me do this. Let me just do this. All right.
Does that?
All right. So this is what you're going to do on from your system. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe you can
All right,
share
so you're
that.
going to like you're going to generate, yeah, you're going to like generate key for
Share
this.
that command.
So yeah, of course, okay. Um, so of course you're going to
Oh,
replace your email at exam.com with your own exact email,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So when you generate, yeah, so generate the SSH key. So when you generate the SSH key,
Mm-hmm.
you get, you would see you're going to generate key in a particular file directory. So that key you generate, you would need to share it with me here so that I can add it to the public key. Where is it? Okay.
Oh, that
Yeah,
makes
I'm
sense.
going to add it to the public key here. Settings, and this is the public key. I can't open this, of course, for privacy reasons.
It's asking
So
what
the
file.
SSH
It's
public
asking
keys will
what
be
file to
here.
save the key. It's asking what file to save the key. Should
Yeah.
we just
So the
write them?
file is just asking. No. It actually it's just asking for directory where you want to save it. So um,
Oh, okay,
so
okay. So I can
for
just save it
Windows, if it
somewhere.
was for Windows users, Windows,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, you can just save it somewhere around. So if it was just Windows
Okay, okay.
users, you put like maybe c./users Jumo .ssh. That's like the default directory when you want to save direct SSH keys, SSH key
Oh, okay.
files, right? So you can, that's for Windows users, but Mac users I can't relate. But it's something similar, of course.
Okay, they've given me the SSH
And it generate,
random. They're giving me the SSH key.
okay. Mm-hmm.
So should I just copy
So
the
the
entire
key
thing and
it
send it to
generates
you
for
on
you now.
Discord?
Okay. There's a line of like saying that, oh, your something public key was saved in this directory. Look at your terminal.
Yeah, exactly.
So I've told you something like something was saved.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
has.
look
It
at that
has. It has.
directory. There's a file there.
Okay,
So there's a file there that has like a key here. To open it up.
oh, I'm coming. One sec. Um, so that's uh interesting. Can I order it by?
So it's like it's saved in .pub.
Yeah, the pub. Yeah,
That's the file extension.
Yeah.
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 So
Looking for
the
it.
contents of that file shared with me. Okay. So you're going to share the content of that file with me. So the content of that file is what I'll use and add to
Oh,
the
did you save it
SSH
in the
public
current
key here.
directory?
And
Did you save it in the current directory that we are in, or you saved it in the current directory that will be right?
uh, it's yeah. If
I mean,
I can't tell because when I generated mine, it saved it somewhere else. But that's why I said it will tell
Oh,
mine
I've
you
was
seen it.
saved.
your
I've seen
PUB
it.
file was saved
Mine
in
was
this
saved in
directory.
like
Okay.
Yeah,
user
inside a
slash.
ComfyUI.
No.
I saved mine inside ComfyUI. So
Uh-huh.
should I just share that? Should I just share that link to you? I mean that file to you rather.
And so uh, you can just share the content of the file when you open it. I've seen Amazon now. So I've seen Amazon. Wait,
But
no.
mine is
No.
saying
This
there's
is this
no.
how it's this. I'm not sure this is supposed to be. This is how it's supposed
Mine
to
is saying
be.
there's no.
Ima, this is just what you have in your
Yeah. I
Ima.
just want to.
What?
Yeah.
So what? I heard. Open it. The usersmark.ssh 25519.pub. That's the file you should open to see
Mm-hmm.
your public key. So PUB
But
is like, I think that's
the
it's
file is not
basically means
openable on
public
my
key.
own machine. I don't. I think there's a specific software to open
You
it.
have
So
to
I'll
open
just
it.
send you the
You
file.
have to open it with no. You open it with Notepad. Open it as a text file, like open
Oh,
with
okay,
a
okay.
different application, like
Oh,
Windows.
then I'll send you the
So like
contents.
with Windows,
Then
you
I'll
can
send you
open
the
with
content of the
Notepad.
file.
Yes, exactly. So
Okay, awesome. Okay, I've opened it. I've
this is a
opened it.
sample of what's. So I shared something in the private chats. So this is basically
I've
how
sent.
it is like. Exactly.
I've tagged you on.
Okay,
I've
cool.
tagged you on Discord. Yeah.
You have seen it. Yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah, I've tagged you on Discord. Yeah.
So let me stop sharing here again.
Uh,
All right. Yeah. All right, I've been updated, and then what we do next is what? I guess okay. Connect and so so this is what we do next. So what we do next now is you guys can now connect um to the pod itself. So let me just share my screen here as well to show
Okay,
you.
okay.
So wait, Toby, where did you get
Um,
yours from?
Just open that file, that downloads or pub or whatever. Sorry, my own is
so
download. Sorry,
this is
just
it
open
here.
that file as a text file, then you copy the contents. Open it with Notepad or something. You see like open with, just
Wait,
right click and
I
open with.
can't wait. Like, where exactly did you get the file? I can't. I
Oh
checked
wait,
like.
open your terminal. Clear the SSH thing so that it will not show. Share your screen and open your terminal. Let me see. Let me see what you have.
Mm,
Are you sharing up? I'm not sharing it.
yeah. So
Okay, so
I ran
oh yeah,
the.
okay. You are inside ComfyUI. So just go to your
Mm-hmm,
finder in your machine and look for
mm.
what was the name you typed when it asked you for a name?
I didn't type. I gave like an empty rate.
Oh, that's interesting. But just go to the file, the ComfyUI thing, inside ComfyUI. That's ComfyUI there.
This one, Abby.
Just enter it. Yeah. Just look for a pub file. Pub. Wait, that means it didn't save then.
But it gave me, because
It
when
gave
I
you that
did it,
one
I
though.
think. Mm-hmm.
Mine
Because
asked for it. Oh,
I
you
think
typed users. I think you typed users slash something, right? Or what did you say you typed?
no. That was like a default stuff I saw. User slash I think slash s dot ssh. Yeah.
Was that the directory you put when you were generating the SSH key?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't put it. It was like there. It
Oh, it was there already. Go
was
to
like
your
a
machine and
default.
go to the root. Go to the root of your machine. How do we find how does one find just do normal search. Click on that search like at the top of your screen. No, that one at the top. Yeah, that one. So just
So
type the
I got
directory.
users. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So inside users, go to
So
mark
mark. So it's supposed to be
uh
users mark dot ssh.
dot ssh. Interesting. Show
Mm-hmm.
hidden files. Is there a way you can show hidden files? Click on that options, three options at the top. No, not that one. No, extreme before search. Before search. Before
Before
no.
search.
Like on this finder. Yeah,
Oh,
that
this
one.
one.
Yeah. Is there a show hidden files thing there?
No.
Maybe right click. Just the normal right click then on the body. No, right click on view. Is it view? Okay. Maybe the file is hidden. If it's .ssh, that means it's a hidden folder, so you can't directly see it. I can't actually
Mm.
remember how to show that hidden folder thing. How did I used to do it? Maybe it's terminal you used to find it though. Just use your terminal to find it. Like normally, just be doing
Let me
ls
do.
ls ls. Yeah.
Um.
So see the inside mark. It's not there. It's not here too. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
Select
users. Yeah,
mark
but it
right
wasn't
cd.
okay. Mark. But you were in mark just now, right?
Mm. Yeah, I think. Or I was in shade. But wait, I'm not even seeing. What's this? Okay, there's no dot .ssh here. Or do I need to
Just
run? Let me try to run it again.
yeah, just generate it
So
again
I'm doing.
and maybe stop sharing your screen.
Uh,
Try we generate it again. Yeah, Juma, are you still
yeah,
here? Is Juma still here?
let me just.
I think the problem is that maybe because you didn't type that name. Because when they asked, like when I ran that command, I was asked to type a name for the file, and I just wrote the name. Then I saw it, and it generated it for me. Jumo, were you saying something before?
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
Jumo, I
I
said,
didn't
were you
hear
saying
you.
something before? I said, were you saying something before?
Sorry, what did you say?
I said, were you saying something before? Is my mic
No, no,
on?
no, no. I was listening to you. I was listening to what you were saying.
Oh, okay. So now that I've shared that one, is there anything that is left?
So yeah, what file should I do? I need to
Your
like
voice
create a
is breaking.
file.
Is it? I think my network is terrible today.
Uh,
Toby,
what you
can
say?
you hear me?
Yeah.
I didn't catch that.
Wait, one sec, one sec. You might be asking or something. What did you say?
Wait, do I need to set? I mean, do I need to create a new file for this
No,
or?
just type. No, didn't your own ask you for a name when you ran that command? It didn't ask you to. It didn't ask you for a passphrase, or it didn't ask you to mine when I ran that command. My own asked me to enter a passphrase, and it asked me to enter the passphrase again. Then it asked me to give it a name.
I think mine, the first prompt I'm seeing here is like enter a file which you want to
Mm,
save.
mm.
Okay,
Okay.
yes, I did that. Yeah, I did that.
So what
What
file
did you type?
what file am I have not typed anything yet. Am I supposed to like create a file for it, like a separate folder or something?
No, no, you don't need to. What that one means is that the other one is saying is that it wants you to give your file a name. So that
Oh,
any
so I
name you
just
type
put
there, yeah, any name you type there
oh
is what
okay.
is what it will be saved as.
Okay, let me type pop.
Juma, are you back?
Yes.
Okay, enter a
Wow.
passphrase.
Passphrase. Yeah, it's asking for a passphrase. Yeah.
Mm,
Okay, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can, we can.
Mm. Emmanuel, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
yeah, I can hear you.
Always.
Can you
We
Okay,
guys
can
hear
hear
me?
you.
I've got
Yeah, can hear you.
Yeah. Sorry.
check.
Oh yeah. Sorry. The thing was, the network has been shit, so I couldn't hear. I couldn't catch what you guys were saying. So Toby, can you go again?
Yeah,
Okay.
so I was saying, okay, have you seen it now, Emmanuel? I was saying after this, what's
Yeah,
next?
let me send this to
Mm. Yes. Who's that?
Can you hear us, Jumo? Can you hear us?
Are you guys saying something?
Yeah, wait. Can you hear what I'm saying right now? Like, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but it's breaking. Like it's breaking.
Oh, is it my own network? Wait,
I
is it my
think it's his
network that is making noise?
network because I can hear you
Oh, okay.
clearly. Uh, so but this is what I'm seeing. Let me send this to the Discord.
Okay.
Is it something like this? Because I saw your own is kind of different. I'm having two files here, right? One is .pub, right? And the other is
Is that what
just
you're
pub.
saying inside your own file? Yeah, pub.pub is probably that first one, the first one you did. So open that one too.
Oh, but that one says okay, open with text editor. Okay.
Mm.
Oh yeah, I think I got it now.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah. So what's the next thing to do now after I've gotten
So
this?
Juma said you add them
All right. So
to run code.
yeah. Give, give me a sec.
Okay. So maybe you can share your screen back or something. You can open
Okay,
that.
give me
You
a
can
sec.
open that. Yeah, yeah. But you can share your screen. You can open that like Eric's article. Wait, did the
Yeah,
man
yeah,
just
yeah.
leave? Interesting. Maybe his network. It's been weird.
All right, can you guys see my screen now?
It's coming up. Yeah, I can see it now.
All right, cool. All right, so the next step is basically now you guys would connect to they have the SSH terminal. Uh,
Okay.
if you don't realize that, because not just for testing purposes. So this, so this is what you guys would use to connect to the. So you guys are lying.
Internet.
Next best, you guys will go to use this after this call. All right, so I've shared the content with you guys to use. So please take notes. So one thing, if you are in the directory where your SSHQ file was generated, you can
Mm-hmm.
just put this command just exactly as it is in your terminal, so you can be able to successfully um, authenticate yourself to like to the ROM pod. So once you authenticate successfully, you should see something like this. So let me share something else on my screen. Window. Yeah. So once you're able to authenticate successfully, you should see this. Can you see? Can you guys see my screen here?
We can't see your screen. Let me add it to stage. Screen is coming up.
Can you see this?
Enjoy pod. Oh, okay. Enjoy your pod. Wait, how come I'm getting it? I'm getting an error though. You said we should copy that command exactly as it is if we are in the directory where we generated
So
the.
this way you guys can connect to the SSH. I said
One quick question. One quick question. Does
yeah,
the file
yes,
Um.
yes.
does the
But
does the pub file does the pub file needs to stay in the same directory because I moved my own.
so
Did you hear,
by
did you hear my
default, the
question?
pub file and yeah, I heard what you said. So by default, the pub file and the file itself. Yeah, I got it. I heard you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. So I said the pub file and the file itself. Basically, they are going to be in the same folder, right? It's going to be in the same folder, basically. So in the .ssh directory, you have both the ID ED25519 and the ID ED25519.movie, two files for basically containing your information, the information you need to successfully.
But what I'm saying, I don't know if Jumo can hear
I'm
us. What
even
I'm saying, I'm
getting.
saying
I'm even getting like a an error.
permission denied. Permission denied.
Mm-hmm.
Public key something. Is that what you're getting to?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's weird. So the fingerprint. So it's saying something about authenticity of hosts can't be established and permission being denied. As Jumo added this thing though, maybe that's why I've been denied permission. I think he needs to like grant us permission or something before we're able to like connect to it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Jumo. Maybe tag him in the Discord. Network is really doing him so many bad things right now, which is not very fair.
No,
Okay.
this is
So
five.
Right
I
back.
got the suggestion.
This is
Okay. Come
5G
on, please.
connection.
This is 5G.
5G. Oh,
God
too
damn.
much. Um,
Damn.
I won't.
I'm
I
actually
won't.
using
I
5G
won't be
too.
mentioning the network. I won't mention the network, but I'll just let everyone just decide what kind of network I'm using. But this is 5G router. All right. So
Yeah, I'm
what was
getting
I? So you
permission
guys, I
denied.
heard you guys saying, yeah,
Permission denied.
that's
Public
possible
key
because
something.
that's possible. So the directory where you are, if you
Hmm.
don't mind, can you share your screen so I can see your terminal? Because it's possible
Uh,
that the directory you are trying to run this command, it doesn't contain the
Mm-hmm.
ID whatever. It doesn't contain the ID ED25919 files. Because you need to be in that directory.
can you see my
Because I
screen?
was getting that error at first.
Can you
Okay.
see my screen?
Yeah, I think it's coming up. It's still coming up. Okay.
How about now?
Still coming up. Okay, I've seen it now. All right. Now, what do you guys? I think it's LS. If you want to check
Yeah.
the files in your in that, good. Dot SSH. So your dot SSH is not here. It's not in this directory. So can
Okay.
you go to the part where the SSH file is folder is?
My SSH folder is inside my users, like the root level stuff, and I'm not sure it's
Yeah, exactly.
exposable.
So that no, it
Or
should
should I
be.
just, or should I just go to the root
So
and
you
run
have
it
to do
from there
the.
or from the root?
You have to go to the. You have to go to like that users your use root user. You have to go to the root user
Yeah,
and then
yeah. This is my root. This is my
uh,
root user.
let me see. So where is the SSH folder?
I don't think it's exposable or something. Is it shared? Yeah, it's not. It's not. It's not here.
Where is this?
It's a hidden folder. Should I try running the command from here? Maybe it will work.
So what we can do instead is if you can copy the folder and then put it in a different folder where you can access it from your terminal, it should work.
Uh,
Because the idea
what do
is
you mean?
just
Like the
it
SSH
needs to
folder? Let
access.
me let me look up. Let me look up
Yeah.
how to find SSH on. Yeah, let me just look that up.
But can you open the folder itself, like on your I was going to say your Windows Explorer. Can you on your file explorer, but do you have a file
Yeah,
explorer where you can see folders? Can you copy the folder itself and then paste it in a folder where you can because I mean you can see some folders from your terminal. So you can paste it in one of those folders and then we just run the command here.
yeah. I can find it though. Like I can go to
Okay.
SSH. So maybe like dot
Hmm. Is the man
SSH.
getting the same error as well?
Yeah,
Okay, I
I'm
found it.
just
I
trying
found
to
it.
do.
I found it. So this is the
Oh.
command to run to find
Mhm.
it. You just like cd SSH and then you go to this. So I think this is it.
Hmm.
Or I can open
No
SSH or
post.
something.
Can you open? Can you open the?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
What I'm seeing here is
So you can
known
see the
known
content here.
hosts. Known host is what I'm seeing
Yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah. I'm familiar with that, but this is not what we should be viewing.
No, no, it's the only file there. Emma, just run this command. Let me give you in the private chat. It should give you your SSH. So
Yeah, I've
just that
gotten
command is
it.
So
it.
Toby, yeah. So Toby, the thing is, the place where you got your like now you copy the contents of that file, the file, the public key.
The download stuff.
How did you? How did
Yeah,
you?
the pub.
Where is it? Where was it? Where did you get it from?
I got it
This is
from
it, right?
ComfyUI. I generated it and this is it here.
Exactly. So this is. Can you? Can I? Let me try and see if I can view your screen.
Oh, I should move it to the same directory. Or what are you saying?
What's the name? What's the name of the file? Is it ID? Is that
Downloads.
the name of the file?
No, it's downloads.pub.
Oh. And you have the downloads beside it, right?
Yeah, I have this download. So what's actually this? Oh, okay,
Yeah.
this is my
So,
normal.
so
Okay.
all right. So what we do then? What we're going to do then is This is so. Let me try and give you the way the content is supposed to be like that. Um,
Oh, okay.
I want to send it to the private chat.
Yeah, no
Download.
problem.
So go to your Comfy UI directory itself. The downloads is inside the Comfy UI directory, right? Comfy UI folder itself.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
All right, go to the go to the Comfy UI folder itself. Then.
I can see like three files inside my own like
All right, so
SSH.
Three
I have
files.
I
Oh.
yeah, I have known host, I have ID underscore ED
Mm.
252
exactly, yeah,
25519.
How
exactly.
come I
Good.
don't have that?
What what directory are you in, Ima?
Uh, I'm in my users, like users, my root
All
directory
right, so
dot
so
ssh.
those files are exactly your user's directory, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what I'm going to give you the content of what you should do. So you might just send you what you should the command you should use for yourself. All right, so the first one was for Toby. Toby, since yours is downloads, and the second one is
Oh, so I should run this command from ComfyUI. Is that what you're saying?
yeah in the Comfy UI. So make sure you're in the Comfy UI. Okay, on the Comfy UI already. Yes, sir. So run this.
It says bad permissions. I don't think it's finding a key or something. Do I need to generate an SSH first? Maybe with this keygen command. Or did we already do that?
You guys did that already.
Yeah, we
You
already.
did
So
that
what's
already.
going on?
Ima, wait, you.
I'm still
Let me see
getting,
what Ima is going to get. Can you share your screen,
so I'm
Emmanuel?
getting, yeah, I'm getting permission denied. Let me share my screen.
Let me stop sharing. You say mark thing though.
Can you see?
Uh, yeah, I'm still getting permissions denied. Permission denied. Permissions or whatever. Permission. Yeah,
No, Ima,
permission denied.
you didn't copy it exactly the way I put it in the private chat.
This, wait,
Copy
let
it
me copy
exactly.
again. Unprotected private key file.
Can you change
Yeah, I
permissions
got
to
Permission
the
that
private
same.
denied.
key?
I got
Can you
that same
change?
bad permissions thing. How do we
Can I
change it?
change what?
Is it with Schmod? Like with
Change
Schmod or
permissions.
something?
Change, I don't know. Is it possible for you to change it?
Wait,
Yeah,
let
I
me
think you
try
can do it with
this.
Schmod. Like CHMOD. Yeah. Or do you have to sudo the command or something?
Oh, there's a small. Okay, let me just run this command first. Let me do this again. I'm still getting the same bad permission.
Let me sudo my own command, see what happens. Maybe it will run differently. I doubt
Yeah, let
it's
me do the
about sudo though.
same. Did you run the small command
No,
like?
I didn't run it. I didn't run it. Give me the Schmod command. Why is it only us Mac guys that are having these errors? What's going on?
or
Wait,
except
what did you
I
just say? Permission is
Or maybe the
denied
thing has not
again.
been our SSH key has been set on run port though. Because why are we being denied?
Ima, can you try this? Ima, can you try this command I sent again? Now, like I sent a new command in the private chat.
Oh, sorry. Um, let me try. Let me add sudo to this. Mm, this is very strange. Oh,
What does warning unprotected key
wait, no
file something
such,
something?
no such, no accessible. What do you mean? Let me see. LS. Is this not the file? 25
5519.
Abi? Why is it saying no such file?
Yeah. Um, Try using the SSH without the sudo.
Kind of confused now. I don't think the sudo is even the issue here. But
Yeah,
let's
sudo
see.
is not the issue.
Still the same. No accessible. But why do I
You
see
know, if you
this
go to
here?
users, in your users folder, is there a Mac folder
Mm-hmm.
in it as well? Okay, in the Mac folder, is there a ID file in it as well?
Just give me. Let me run this again first. I'm trying to check that.
Because basically we just because what we can just do instead is we can just
But we
decide to
can
copy
see
the two files.
this is users. Let me run this on users first and see. Still the same. Okay, users slash Mac cd Mac. Abi.
I need the Mac directory.
Mm-hmm.
Then let's copy the ID, the two files into the Mac folder. Then
What house? The
the
ID.
ID underscore
This
ed
one.
kaka. The two
Okay, mine
files.
is mine
Let's
is
copy
working
them
now.
into
Mine is
the.
working now.
How do
Mine
I
is
even
working
Oh,
now.
remove
good.
this?
I fixed
How
it.
did you do
The
it?
error the error is the error is that you have to move that what am I saying? You remember that file you generated, that pop.pop file? You have to
Yeah.
move it to your SSH directory. So I'm going to give you a series of commands now in private chat. So just tweak it to match your own use case. So obviously that download is not. I'm coming. Let me send you all the commands so that you're looking at it. I'm already connected now. Um, and then SSH. Yeah, that's it. So in the private chat, you see those commands. So now that one that has MV, you are basically just moving the SSH file we generated before into your. I mean the what's it called? Okay, just separate them. So
Wait,
you're
are
moving
they?
that.
Oh, there are
They are
different
separate.
commands, right?
Yeah, Shmod is supposed to be line 2, and that SSH is supposed to be line 3. So the first line is like MV. So you're like from the root directory or download. So obviously you change that to like, oh, my left. So apparently we needed to run it directly from. We needed that file we generated to be in our SSH folder for it to work.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I thought it's okay. So
So Emmanuel, so like that MV downloads thing, that you're going to change it from MV text, you're going to change from to MV, then the name of the directory where your ComfyUI whatever is, because that was where you generated your SSH file, right? Or where was it generated?
Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Let me even check.
Yeah,
Comfy
so
UI.
so that directory share is going to be like where the directory of that your pop that SSHQ file we generated is going to be. I mean where it was rather. So you're essentially just moving it from there to your SSH directory in your roots. Then you run that chmod command on the name of that file and then you SSH. So that's what I did.
Wait, there's no. Um. Is it here? No, there's no SSH file in my ComfyUI.
Where did you generate it then? That one you generated before that we gave to Jumo.
I think that one is like inside of users Mac. Let me try it again.
Okay, okay.
The same place. I think it was in your users
So
folder directly.
yeah. Mm, okay, the pub, right?
Yeah, that pub. No, just the normal downloads one. I didn't add pub though. But I just use normal. I just use the normal name without the pub, without the dot pub. It's probably reference. Let me see which one is actually referencing.
But I'm not even saying I used to have a pub and dot pub. Now I'm now seeing only the pub. This is very weird. SSH.
Okay, yeah, so it's the one without the dot pub that it needs. It doesn't need the it needs the normal one, like the one without dot
No,
pub.
you need the both of
That's the one
them.
that I need.
The two.
No, like
No, the two
the
of
one I
them.
used to make it
The
work.
two of them need
The
to
one I
work.
used to make it work. Oh, the two of them need to be in that directory.
Yes, yes, yes.
But the one I used though, I just ran it like with that normal one. But let me put that one to there in that directory so that both of them will be
Yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah. Mm,
Okay, so
okay. Yeah,
the
that's fine.
okay, mine is in the my users slash Mac. So how do I what do I change it to from downloads? Do I
You
still
honestly
need to
don't really
put
need to. You don't need to even really run that command. You can just drag and drop it where you need it. Just do Command Shift G. Do Command Shift G on the screen of your Mac. Find your SSH folder and see if you can drag and drop it. There. That command is basically just moving. That's what the MV is. So if you can drag and drop it manually, it still does
where
the
did you
same
say
thing.
Command Shift G?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is not
Then
bringing
after that,
anything.
no, go to the root, like the screen, your home page, like your your Mac home page without any windows on it. Then I'll type the command.
Okay.
Did
What
something
command
come
should
up?
I type? Yeah.
Command Shift G.
What am I supposed to find there?
So you press that what's the name of this uh this punctuation mark? I actually can't remember. Let me share my screen and show you.
Where should I go to the pub? Just pub
Let me share my
file.
screen. Can you see my screen?
Mm,
So yeah, in my own terminal, what I did was I ran this command. I don't know if you can still reference it. Oh, you can't reference it again. Let me see if I can scroll up to find it. Yeah, so I ran this command. Can you see this?
yeah.
So I found where my own file was, which was this downloads file, and I essentially just wrote the routes to it, and then the routes to my SSH. So that was what this MV command was. Then I ran this smudge 600 with the name of that file, which was downloads that I gave it. Then after that, I SSH and changed this also to downloads because now it's in the SSH folder. So that was pretty much how I did. So that was these three commands. So maybe let me send these three to you. Maybe you can tweak it to your own use case.
Okay. I think mine will
But have you
just
done the
be.
drag and have you done the drag and drop already, or you can just use terminal to do everything?
I think I can use terminal.
Okay, I've sent them to you.
Okay. One sec. So new. So I have users slash Mac slash pub. Oh shit, no.
I totally work
Okay.
for it. Did you run the
Um.
command already?
Yeah. So I've moved that one. Let me just run the second one. So
Okay, okay,
Shmon.
awesome.
Oh yeah. And
Did it work?
I remember this. Okay. Yeah, it did.
Okay, awesome.
It worked. Enjoy your pod. Okay, yeah, it worked.
You know
Uh, is Jumo still with us? Mm.
Yeah.
So it worked. My this thing is currently connected to the wrong pod.
All right. That's great. So
So
we'll be running like series of commands after.
okay.
okay.
Maybe you want to share your screen?
Okay. No, please, give me a second.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
All right. So I'll be referencing Eric's doc
Article.
for
Okay.
the yeah the article. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Just confirm once you can see my screen. Yeah. Oh,
It's coming up. Okay, I can see it now.
all right. Cool. All right. So the first step was done. We're done with that. This is basically setting up our SSH keys for the run pod,
Hmm?
and so we can
Hmm?
basically run commands. So we can basically run commands on our terminal.
Hmm.
All right. So,
Yeah.
yeah. So we've added the SSH, blah blah blah. We have we have deployed the run pod server already. So
Okay.
that's what we've done all this. Sorry. Let me see. All right. So you're on the workspace. So if you look at the terminal, we are currently on our workspace terminal. You see,
Yes, that's
I said
correct.
sorry, workspace
Yeah, that's
terminal,
correct.
workspace directory. Sorry. Yeah, the
Yeah, that's
workspace
correct.
directory. So
Yeah, correct.
So once you're in the workspace directory, you don't need to do the cd workspace again since you're in the directory already.
Hmm.
So this first step is to clone. We need to clone this ComfyStream setup scripts. So these are basically what we need for setting up our
Setup.
ComfyStream on the terminal. Yes, and then
Okay.
after we run this command, so you guys can should I copy this to the
Can
private
you
chat?
copy paste? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Also,
Yeah.
so essentially, we are creating that script, and then we are running. Abi?
Yes.
Oh wow. Well, we are
Yeah.
running. What's the
So those are
initial
the
setup? Is inside run pod. Okay,
and the
okay,
initial.
okay.
Yeah. Let me see if I can.
So wait, we need to
Um,
CD
uh,
to workspace. Are we
You are already
manually
there.
creating this?
We're already inside
we're in it
workspace. So
already.
Okay,
You're
okay,
in
okay.
workspace
Yeah.
already.
So just copy this entire commands and run everything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think mine has run. Oh wait, set too many arguments. Okay, my bad. Let me copy them one by one. So it has to clone first. So it said already exists and is not an empty directory. Okay, comfy script. Oh, it doesn't mean it has cloned it already.
Do something. Can you do dir ls? Sorry, to check it
Oh yeah, I
because
already the
probably we
folder is
are
already
in the
here.
same terminal. Yeah.
The folder is
So
already here.
yeah, because yeah, I did that already. So probably I already shared the same terminal. Can you do the
Oh, I
cp?
see.
You see the cp dot
This
config
is actually
stream.
nice. Yeah, let me run
Mm.
that one. So where does it end? It ends at setup.sh.
Oh, it's the same thing on my end
Okay,
too. Like,
that
Mm.
one run. So let me run the bash command.
The cp. Mm-hmm.
Okay, the bash is running now. Initializing
All right.
conda,
Cool.
initializing ComfyUI manager and all that thing. Creating conda environment,
So for those,
downloading Kohaku.
all right, just for the benefit of those that would like to try these stuff later. So the idea is just once you have this connect here, the reason why Toby and Dima are actually doing the SSH stuff is because like we already set this thing up already on my end. So you can just basically do it from your local computer instead of doing it on the web terminal. So we have the web terminal here, connect to web terminal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So once you do the connect to web terminal, it takes you to a new tab, takes you to this new tab here. So
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's
this is
nice.
where you can run all the commands. So it takes you to this new terminal. So this is where you can basically run all the commands that Iman and Toby are doing on their local computer. So instead of doing web terminal, you can do the SSH, whichever means you want to connect to the terminal, but it's still the same basically. The rest remains the same. And then some would prefer using the Jupyter Lab. So Jupyter Notebook,
yeah, I
right?
think that one is
Some
like
people call it
an online.
Jupyter Lab.
Yeah, instead of like doing the local
Yeah.
setup, you can use it.
Wait, Jumo, have you already run
Yes.
all these
So
commands before?
I did. Yeah.
Have you already run all
Yeah.
these
I ran
commands
some
before?
commands, not all. Just some.
Because this one
Just
is saying
some. Not
requirements.
all.
Everything I ran now said requirements already satisfied. Requirement already satisfied. Looks like everything already exists.
Okay. Then
Before
you
Yeah.
can just
So I
ignore and
think
then move forward.
we're all sharing
the
like the
same
same
Sharing.
terminal.
Okay. So
terminal. So
okay. Sorry. I think I already did that. See it here in my Jupyter. Okay. Yes. Can you guys see the screen?
yeah,
Jupyter
yeah,
Notebook.
Yeah,
exactly the
yeah.
same. Yeah, the same.
So you've already run
Uh,
exactly.
uh, so I have this comfy setup script, comfy UI, comfy real time, mini conda, table, diffusion web UI. So we already had this. So I did that already. So
Mm-hmm.
how was it go? When I okay. And then this is
Okay,
what
awesome.
to be ran, I think, 2 minutes ago from your end.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So all right. So
Hola,
that's
unknown.
once you guys.
Welcome, welcome.
Uh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. So let's continue with what we're having. So the next step is
Mm-hmm.
we need this Twilio account SID and hot token. This
okay.
stuff here. We need this. So I already said that I have not set it up, but I've created a developer's account on my Twilio
Mm-hmm.
account. So like so yeah, I can just I
I
think I
think I
will
have
need
nano.
to yeah I
Oh,
can see
install nano. That's nice.
yeah what I
So
see.
so are we currently like on a like Linux machine right now, like remotely?
Maybe
Because we're running
maybe if
apt
that
get now.
if it is
Well, if I run apt get, I only used to run this command when I was on Linux, so it looks like we're on Linux
Mm-hmm.
right now.
yeah well the CP as well CP keyword I
And
think it's uh
I think this
also a
command,
keyword for Linux machines.
yeah, and I think this command, like one person can run it on their end,
Yeah,
and then it
exactly.
reflects instead of like having
So
three
for
or so.
everybody.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay, so let me try to install. Let me see. Let me try. Are you guys running this on your end? Let me
No,
paste.
it's set up now. We are supposed to add
Okay.
something to our Twilio account or something.
Yeah, I trying to create. Okay,
So you can just add it
share
and
this
you can
tab
just add it
instead.
and
So
run it from your own end.
Mm-hmm.
yes, yeah. So I just install this and then open file with Nano to make edits. So paste. So it's at the bottom of my screen. I think
Yeah, so Nano
I
it's
will
like
need
an
to
editor in
now.
the terminal. So you can
Yeah.
type
Mm-hmm.
stuff
So
and stuff.
I'll
Hmm.
let me get my account ID and Outlook link. Mhm. All right. So yeah, I can just put my account ID. Okay, I think I should put that. Let's reference this so I don't have to share my keys. SID and then Outlook. All right. So I think this is saved. Saving completed. All right. So I was able to do this on my Jupyter notebook actually. So I've done it,
Okay.
and yeah, I've done that. So I've updated the studio account SID and Outlook.
Oh,
Okay.
nice, nice, nice.
The initial set on so the next set of steps we need to do now is we have let me see. So can you guys open your local host 3000? I think you have local host 188 something as well. Local host
We should run
3000.
it in
That's
this. We should run it in this terminal right now, or we should go back to our ComfyStream
no like
directory
no on your like just on your web,
or
just
run
on your
pod.
web itself.
Oh,
Okay,
okay, on
on
web.
Yes.
web, on
No, no,
web.
no. No, on web. On your normal web, yes.
Localhost
Okay.
what? What's the port?
It's
3,000.
3000, right?
3000. It's not. It should not. It will not run because we don't have it running locally. Is there a link we're supposed to be running or
Oh,
And
something?
have you
plus
you didn't do the
the
NPM run test?
connection.
Have you done the NPM run test?
Oh no, we haven't done that. So we have to do that from here, from
Oh,
the workspace,
oh,
right?
okay, okay.
You have to npm
No,
run there from the
no,
workspace,
from
right?
your no, not from the workspace. So in your ComfyUI directory,
Oh, so we have to seed it to
um,
ComfyUI, then run it from there.
yeah. So let me send you a command for you guys to try out. We have to do the node install, blah blah blah.
But but
So let
wait,
me see.
my
All right.
my run pod this
So
thing
this
has
is it.
disconnected. Oh. Is it the same for every other person? Or is it just mine?
Uh, it is
Mine is
inactive.
still
It is
connected.
inactive after a while. If it is inactive, it's
Oh,
going to, but you can reconnect. You can always
oh,
just
okay.
copy and paste. So this is the next step.
So
So on your Comfy
so
UI, you
give the commands.
okay. So let me copy it.
No, we run this command from ComfyUI, yeah, just to be clear. Or are we running it in our
Yes,
run pod?
yes. No, 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 no. Um
ComfyUI.
on your Comfy UI.
Yeah, but doesn't that mean that we need to do the virtual environments thing that we're running with mini conda before again? Or we don't need that again?
Have you done the
You know, we're
activate?
using.
You've done the activate.
No, no, I've not. I have to do that again.
You you have to do that. You have to do the where is this?
The ComfyUI thing again, right?
Well, without okay. So it's blah blah blah. It's just blah. So we have to run these commands in our end. But hmm, so we still perhaps need to run. Although this serious logo about
Yeah, but like
uh,
what I'm saying is that when we're
yeah,
running Comfy UI only, I don't know if you remember, Ima, we're using one virtual environment to run it with mini conda setup and everything. Do we need to go and run that
Yeah,
again?
but I even have. Are we running this directly on the ComfyUI folder? Is that where we're
yes,
running
yes.
it?
For the run dev, yes, we can do that first.
But it's saying not such file as UI. Abi? Yeah,
No,
not such file
no, you should have
directly.
a UI folder. You should have a UI folder.
Wait, man, you need mini conda
Um,
back or something. I think you need mini conda back to be
No,
able
what
to
I'm saying is
use.
that like the first command says we should
Mhm.
cd to UI, and there's no UI folder in the config UI. Or do you have a UI folder?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
mm,
Like
yeah.
maybe you need to run it from your virtual environment stuff again. Like open a new
Oh,
terminal tab.
sorry.
I'm trying that.
Sorry. In the terminal. Sorry, guys. So in the terminal for the run pod itself in your terminals, can you go to the coffee stream? Go to the coffee stream folder itself.
Okay, is that ComfyStream? Oh, okay, I see it. So see the ComfyStream setup script. Is that it?
Yes, yes. See the coffee stream, and then from the coffee
Setup
stream, then
script.
you can go into UI.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, do we need to still run this locally? So if I ls now,
Mm.
I'm not seeing UI here. Do I need to see it to run pod or local?
Wait,
No,
there's no
basically, it's
config
more like
stream
you
on
are
my end
running
though.
it on a
Yeah, but like, see
there's no
what I'm
coffee
seeing.
stream.
Let me share my screen. See what I'm seeing locally. There's no UI
Okay.
folder. There's only like run pod or something. Can you see my screen?
Where are you seeing the config stream? Okay, CD workspace. Uh,
So this is what I have here. So maybe I see it to
Okay.
local or something.
Um, coffee stream. Yeah, I'm coming. Let's try out the coffee stream script itself.
And that's what I'm currently in. Do I need to like run it the script or something like that?
Yeah, I
Oh,
think
there's
it's
Comfy UI.
which let's see the
There's Comfy
content.
UI. There's Comfy UI here though. My bad.
Okay, okay.
There's Comfy UI here. So let me see it to that. There's no UI folder here though, but I guess there's no UI folder inside here.
but is this command actually working on your end, Jumo?
Yeah, how are you
Let's
running it?
command
Like this command is sharing
for
with
the
us
UI
now.
folder.
Yeah.
Okay, the city. Right, this is what I did for the coffee stream. So I kind of like looked
What's
up
that?
their content. For Eric's content and let me see. And let me see.
Wait, could you share your
And
screen so
check.
that we can see?
Let me see.
Yeah,
Yeah,
share
yeah.
screen. Cause I'm not seeing the UI folder here.
Mm.
Let's
Because I'm guessing if we're using the same what's it called? If we're using sharing the same terminal, I mean anything you're
mm,
able to run on your end, we should be able to run because
you
like
should
it's
be
a
able to run it, yeah.
virtual.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm.
it's not like
No, for this one, I did this actually locally. This I didn't do it on the run pod. I did this locally actually. So all right, so yeah, let me see. Um,
Sorry, on Rumpod,
so the initial
what GPU are we using right now?
so
Eh?
I think this is what we're using. Okay,
What's
this is
that?
what we used. Let me see. I think it was RTX. Let me see. It could be the screener. Yeah, RTX 2000 Ada.
Oh, okay, okay. Turn
Hmm.
off these. Yeah, continue. You were saying
Yeah.
something.
Okay, so I was looking up. So we have initialized this. I think that this initial set of the SS script we do before you just have to run create oxy directory for two config use for this. Inside the line inside the run config for it and streaming. Control to your development environment. Hmm. Office stream. UI manager retirement. Hmm. Okay, let's see. I think we have the config router and ComfyUI folder.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah,
Yeah.
config router
Yep.
and folder. Yes, we have that.
Mhm.
So let's see. Let's try to follow this instruction now. Mhm.
So what did you do,
All right.
Jumo?
So I'm basically I just want to follow Eric's instruction for the setup. So first
Okay.
is we have to go into the config router and ComfyUI's directory folder. I think this is already initialized, but let me see. I can do all this from the terminal. Either way, anyone works.
Is there a comfy
Hmm.
stream time? Let me check.
Okay. So we have git clone under activates ComfyStream. All right. Yeah. Oh, so I've done the conda activate ComfyStream. No.
Okay.
I've done the conda activate ComfyStream, and then next
Okay.
basically is for us to clone the real time nodes. So let's pick up paste. So um, when
Wait, do we
all
still need to
right.
run the conda activate comfy stream?
Okay, conda this conda deactivates.
No, 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 no. I was
So let's see. It's going to install. Oh god. Yeah. So this is what I was talking about the other time. Let me see. So this is what I was talking about, Tima and Toby.
mhm.
So this was the coffee stream folder, repository, and then UI folder. When installing this legacy cleared bits instruction and running it on our web. And this is what I had
Oh, so that
from there.
means it's inside ComfyStream then, not in
Yeah.
not in Comfy UI.
Yeah, the coffee stream. I guess it's basically this is like the kind of like web, like the ComfyUI itself, more like the ComfyUI basically.
But
That's
I'm
the
able to
local.
run Comfy UI from ROM port too, like in the server, but you can't access it obviously
Yeah, I
because
get it.
it's giving a
No,
localhost
no,
port,
you can work it.
but we can't use it.
You don't share
No,
your
like
screen to see
right
how it
now,
looks like,
I
what you're
I
getting.
ran Python. I ran that script, that main script to run Comfy UI, but it's giving a localhost
Okay.
port still. So like if you see now, like I ran the normal Python. Where is it again?
Wait, but
I
there's
ran the
no.
normal. Yeah, there's no like because running on the server, so my local machine doesn't have access to this port, so can't exactly go there unless I'm using like a I don't know, unless they give us a direct URL to this port, which is which I don't see any of it here. But let me just kill this and go to the ComfyStream and follow you guys.
But there's no ComfyStream folder. That's the issue from
No,
my end. I'm
there
only
is,
seeing
there
there's
isn't.
no. There's
Oh,
just
there's Comfy real
ComfyStream
time.
set up, and there's Comfy real time.
So this is what we have, Jumo.
No,
I
no,
don't know what you have on your end.
yeah, the coffee stream itself is actually not the run pod
You have to
server.
git. You have
It's what
to git
we have to
clone.
do
I
it on
mean,
our local. Yeah, you have to do it on your local computer. That's what I actually did initially, though. That's what I did as well. That's why I was able to like run this
oh, so you have to do
right
it
here and there.
outside of this workspace. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, outside of the workspace. Yes, yes,
So like in our normal terminal,
yeah.
do we still need to keep this virtual environment running, or do we like go to a fresh terminal?
No, go to refresh terminal. Leave the terminal alone. You can just leave that terminal as it is. We can
Let
come
me
back to it.
just.
Um,
Okay.
hmm.
Sorry. Just give me a fresh terminal. New tab. Basic. No, bro. Just enter the terminal. How do I kill the server? Can I
CD ComfyStream.
cancel? There has
But
to be a way to like.
there's no ComfyStream in the git folder. I just did uh I just did git clone this. I just git clone this repo.
Let me
Unless
give
it's a
you the
different
command. Let me give you the
repo.
command. Mm, That's it.
Mm. Oh, it's a different repo. I see. My bad. My bad. How do I delete this?
So open to
So what did you say? Sorry.
So you
no,
have
no,
to
no,
do
no.
git
So I'm
clone.
trying to. Okay.
So cd ComfyStream. Then cd
CD
UI.
conf. So we have to clone ComfyStream. What did you say?
Yeah, you have to clone this GitHub
Oh,
that Juma
okay.
just sent to the private chat. So npm install Abi. These commands are not complete though. Abi, it's not complete, Juma. The command is
No, it's complete now.
So
npm install, then
it's complete.
legacy peer devs, and then run dev.
Okay. Let me see. I think I see what you're talking about. Um, Let me see
and
it
then we
again.
run dev.
Alright. So I'll send it again
Okay,
now.
I'm already running dev though on my own end.
Mm-hmm.
So it's localhost 3,000. Let's see what's going on there. So on localhost 3,000, yes, I can see the ComfyStream um stuff now. So this is what I see. I can start stream.
Did you upload any workflow?
Nope, but there's an error here. Uh, unhandled runtime error, send of file, something something. What's this? Well, that's a lot of errors. Is there something we need to configure from run pod or something?
Um,
The
Most
offer
likely
endpoint
yes.
is the one. The offer endpoint is the one throwing the error.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Very. So what could be the reason?
Mine is still. Mm,
Mhm. It's Emmanuel's terminal.
What did you
yeah.
say?
Is this Emmanuel's terminal? Is this Emmanuel's terminal on the screen?
No, this is mine.
No, no, no. It's Toby's.
Okay. All right.
And
So I just wanted us to. Have you gotten set up now?
No, I haven't yet.
so
Is there something we need to add? This is the error we are getting from the code
Uh,
base,
yeah.
from the server.
So I'm sharing my screen right now, though.
Okay,
Um,
yeah, let me add your
so I'm
screen back.
look. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I've added your screen.
Okay. So I'm kind of following these commands too as well to try and do this on the terminal.
Mm-hmm.
okay, I think
So I'm
mine is
using
also
Jupyter.
up now.
Okay.
What'd you
So
say?
um,
So we should
yeah,
run
I'm
this in
following the
run pod or
instructions
something.
from here. No, 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 no. I'm following some instructions from Eric's docs here to
Okay.
see what's went wrong. And yeah, so let's copy
Mm.
this and then
Where are we installing that
so
though? In ComfyStream.
yeah, copy UI real time notes.
Wait, you are running this from run pod or is this your local machine?
Yeah, this is the terminal. No, this is the run port terminal. You know, I said you could use the
Oh, that
web
means
terminal, you could use the Jupyter notebook.
but I don't see ComfyStream on my own end though, like in my own terminal. I don't see you clone did you clone inside the terminal?
No, 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 no. I there's no config stream folder yet. What I was showing was, let me see, that was I. So I'm just following. Look at this. So what we have here is we're installing this PyTorch, Cultivation, whatever
Mm-hmm.
packages, and then
Oh, okay.
next we install Config Stream. So so we're going
Yeah, yeah,
to
okay, no problem.
clone this next. Yeah. So let's see the copy. Yeah, I'm waiting for this installation to be done, and then we
Okay.
can continue.
Wait, all this is still like still inside of your local terminal,
This is
right?
your no.
Inside the ROM pod. Okay,
This is
okay,
the
okay, okay.
terminal. This is the report terminal. Yeah,
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
so we're in the workspace already. So what we can
Mm-hmm.
do is it's clone this.
Please clone the config stream.
Yeah. hmm So we have ComfyStream in it now.
Okay.
So yes, I have to write it in full. That's wrong. Okay. Good. And then click install. So what we have next is we're expected to copy the nodes tensor it use nodes. So this directory here contains some this folder here was expected to copy it into the custom nodes for the ComfyUI. So remember, basically the custom nodes are just basically different workflows that you develop yourself personally. Now you want to generate your AI workflows for
Mm-hmm.
video
Mm-hmm.
AI
Mm-hmm.
video streaming. All right, so where is yeah,
So what are we doing now?
and then is it so what we want to do next is we're going to copy the content here into ComfyUI custom nodes. And that is going to come from ComfyStream. So ComfyStream,
Let me see what directory you are.
I think there's a
Join.
command to just do this. Yes. So here's the
Yeah,
command
that's
we
what I was
use to
saying.
copy.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Look at your own directory. Look at your own terminal. You have ComfyStream already set up. Do we need to disconnect and reconnect to the workspace,
Okay, maybe you should do
to
that.
the ROM pod?
Maybe you should do that.
Because it looks like
Yeah, maybe you should do that.
because I'm not seeing that on my own end, which is weird.
Uh,
Wait,
yeah,
but
like just reconnect. Maybe it's still what is still doing? Click install. Okay, still installing. So once this is done, we'll just run the command. So I think once we copy this, I can't do that yet because it's still installing some packages on the Jupyter Lab terminal. And so the next thing we should do is we'll ask to install depth anything consult node. This is a custom node actually. This is a custom node basically to uh, it helps to generate depth maps. So maybe we can try that out once that is done. And after bring up time to open out get check out this. Mm. So basically, we just have two
Okay,
steps left.
now it's
We
here
just
now. I
have two
can see
steps
it now.
left.
I can
It's
see
here.
it
Yeah,
now.
okay, good. So, oh, I thought I was sharing this part of my screen. So the two steps we have left is just this step 4, which is bring up ComfyStream server Then this basically this tunnel to open up UDP connection. So the I think the UDP connection comes from the part where we try to let me see. Yeah, the wrong pod. So where we try to, I think this is part of what it's about. TCP,
Mm-hmm.
whatever. So once we connect to it, then we have series of commands to run here. I think we'd have to make edits because basically things like IP addressing is different, of course. Ours is going to be different. And
Yeah.
then it's, it's just we can ignore this step three actually. We can ignore this. I'll come back to this once we get the Comfy UI and ComfyStream running. We can come back to this later,
Okay.
to step through later. So we can just jump into step
Okay.
4. But you guys, step 5 is working, right? Like your NPM run there, Tobi zone is working. Ima, what about you?
Yeah. So is it the one on the
The local
local machine?
3000.
Yeah, that
Local
one
is
is working. Is
3000.
working. Yeah.
Okay, okay, cool, 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 cool. All right. Um, so bring up ComfyStream
So I
server
can
then.
I can also see
So
the
let me see.
Comfy stream in the workspace now.
Yeah, but
Okay,
it's saying
cool.
npm. It's saying npm is not a command though in the workspace.
You have
That
to
should be a problem.
do.
No, 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 no. It's meant to be. That's your the NPM run dev is your local. The
I don't
is
think
the
you
local
you
repo.
can run
The one
Oh, not on
npm
run pod.
because
is the one you
no.
not on raw pod, not on raw
Okay.
pod.
No.
Okay. 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 That makes sense.
Someone is asking a question. Someone said, "What machine are you running this on?" So we have like three of us are using like different machines. So mm, myself
But
and
right now
Toby
we're
are
all
running it
using
on a Mac.
Linux.
Exactly. So we're using a
Yeah.
virtual machine, sort of a Linux
Virtual
Hmm.
machine. Mm,
virtual machine.
mm. Exactly. For the most part of it is a virtual machine we're using to run a lot of these commands.
Most of this.
A lot
Yeah.
of these
Mhm.
commands. Yeah. Just the web part of it, the content part of it, we're using local computers.
Yeah.
Mm.
But like
So
the
what's
thing is,
this?
even like what's the status on this? It's still installing here. Still installing here.
Oh wait, man, it
I don't
looks
know why
like
it's
your
taking so
YouTube
long.
is streaming. Your YouTube is streaming right now.
I just did it. I saw like a button on top here on top right. I think
Oh,
Jumo
that's
can also see it. So I
oh,
just
that's nice.
decided to like try
Yeah, I
it
can
and
see
it
it.
worked. hmm
That's
Stream
amazing,
this to your
But
actually.
audience.
hmm but for me to like stream, I think it's a new feature because it wasn't there before. I just noticed it today.
That's nice.
But I think to stream to Twitter, like to X, you need like a premium account.
Oh, okay, okay.
So maybe I need to go and buy the blue tick. Uh let's see. So now I think most of what we'll be doing as per the workflow we still have to be like on Comfy UI.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But that server error, though, I don't know. Should we be looking into that, or should we finish the article first?
Yeah, we
I'm
But
going
should
see,
to
just
you're on
finish
the
this. Like,
if you're on the front end, yeah, exactly. Yeah, let's
yeah.
finish. This one.
yeah, right, I just feel it's just we just need to like finish setting up the rank or whatever, and then
And also if you are
the
Yeah.
rendering the
guys will get working.
yeah, if you are rendering the what's it called? If you are rendering the what's it? The front end, right? You should try to like reduce the FPS, the frames per
Yeah,
second.
frames per second.
Mm,
Yeah.
yeah. So I reduced mine to like 12 sha. So because of like performance, so we
Mm-hmm.
had
Mm-hmm.
this workshop yesterday with Life Peer where some of the guys they were like doing like a workshop, a demo basically.
Yeah.
So I think initially it was initially set to like 30, yeah. So that one was having like it was really lagging. So you could like see that oh this what the stream output is bringing and what the
Oh,
comfy
okay.
stream output. Yeah, the lag
I
time was
see.
crazy. So you had to reduce.
Damn. Crazy stuff. Um. Yeah, but 12 FPS very slow though. But like I mean,
Yeah.
based on circumstances, I can understand.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's a
Yeah.
new
But I
a
think
new thing. Yeah.
yeah, I think they mentioned something about if you are doing like a really simple your workflow, like you have like simple nodes, like maybe maxing for example,
Yeah.
which most times will not be the case. But let's say you just want to do a simple, yeah, very, very simple, something that doesn't
Mm.
cost that much, then you can run on like much higher this thing and you wouldn't have problem. But when you are using like complex stuff, you might want to like reduce it so that you don't get issues.
Okay. Okay. Makes sense.
Jumo, what's up?
Yeah, okay, so I think this is done. Yeah, I think this is done.
Okay.
Oops, dependencies. Okay. I think everything should be fine, but I'm not sure what's going on here. Okay, yeah, this
Oh,
it's cool. So let's move forward with what we have in the command. So it says on the remote server, remote host run, apps get installed, sockets. So let's see. Copy, paste. Hmm. All right, so that's done. Socket TCP listen 4321 UDP. So this year, I think the IP address. So let me see what we have from our record. Mm. I believe you guys can see my screen, right? You can see the mountains.
yeah. Have you done the
Okay.
app get install
So,
socket?
yeah, I've done that. Yeah, I did that in the terminal already. I just did that. I want to try to confirm for the
Uh,
PTP.
okay.
Yeah, I'm believing that's just
Toby's
mm,
mic is muted, right? I don't think he knows.
We're only seeing that block. That's what I was saying. We're not seeing your terminal, your entire screen.
yeah. Okay, let's see.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Hmm. Hmm. I was thinking this has to do. I think this has to do with localhost too.
What's that? What has to do with localhost?
The 127, this 1275678.
Uh, 1275. Are you talking about the ports? Are you talking about ports or something? Oh, yeah. Oh, you mean yeah?
Yeah,
That's yeah.
yeah.
We
I
can't run
confused
that
that with
locally
like
though.
IP. No, no,
If
no, no.
yeah,
This is
that's
going to be on the
localhost.
remote server. I was thinking it had
Yeah,
to do with
exactly.
like IP or something.
Oh
Let me
yeah.
just.
That's I think that's just localhost. Yeah.
Hmm. So I'm waiting for this to that. Wait, can you guys see my screen? I don't know if
No, we can't
everyone
No,
see your
can see my
screen.
screen.
Let me
no,
add
we
it.
can't.
Oh, we actually can. It has not come up yet.
Uh, uh, I,
Maybe
I'm
stop
actually seeing
sharing and
myself.
reshare.
Okay,
Can you just stop and reshare? Yeah.
okay. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen again.
Okay, let me add this. Okay.
Oh yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah, we can see your screen now.
Hmm. This is open. All right. So I did a SOCAT TCP for on the Jupyter terminal. I'm not sure what's expected to happen. Okay, this weird. All right. Um. So I saw this from the other article on the Notion site. So let me just confirm to exactly 4321. Local was 4329.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Roots. Okay. Roots starts local host at 66. That's no, no, no. 26530. Exactly. So, um, I have this issue happen every time, but I hope it doesn't happen now. Let me just hope it doesn't happen. Let me see. Am I supposed to run this? Exactly. So can you guys run this on your local machines? Let me give you the
Oh,
command
this
because
oh this
I have
looks
this
like a
issue with
tunnel.
my
Ah, I
mm,
see.
yeah,
So like
the
tunnels,
tunnel
like
basically
sort of
for
so that we're.
connection between record.
Oh, I see. That's crazy. So wait, when we run this, are we running this in the workspace route or something,
No, no,
or
no,
in
no,
the
no. This will
ComfyStream
be in
directory?
your no, this will be in your like I said PowerShell. In your terminal, just normal terminal.
Oh, okay, okay. So to normal terminal. Okay. So in the UI folder
Yeah.
or where you haven't pasted the command.
We have not because I want to get the full command. So you will see here that the article said these parameters that are here, but I want to get the correct terminal itself. So
Okay, yeah. So
because for
just to
me,
be
I
clear, are
can
we
see
running this in
this
the UI
with
folder?
no, no,
Is it
no,
the
no,
UI folder?
anywhere. Like anyway, this
Okay,
this
anyway.
just for like connection
For
from your
SSC
system to
connection.
Oh, okay. To the
uh
remote server. Okay, okay.
mm, okay, I see what happened. So that's the reason why we had this. So this socket basically, I think, is basically listening to any connection requests coming into this workspace. So this is an active
Oh,
connection coming into this space. So it's actively listening. Then I hope this is not going to be okay. Let me see. And click one. Please, I'm getting correct information. Look at okay. Let me see what we have from this part.
mm.
You guys should please run this on your computer. my I have this thing with my
I was
name. This I have this thing with my name like Excellency Jumo. So that space between Excellency and Jumo, I always have issue with. So I'm trying to like change the name. So it gives me issues whenever I'm trying to do something for the terminal and I have to do with the root directory. Okay, let me get
um
my
okay.
copy. And then yeah, so the next step is like what's supposed to be here is like your directory. Like the directory
All
of
the time.
uh, where you put
But what if
the
you are currently in the directory?
SSH.
Oh,
If you are
SSH.
currently in
Okay,
directory,
okay,
you still put it. Yeah, the dot
okay,
SSH
okay.
slash and stuff.
All right, makes
So
sense.
let
Makes
me
sense. Makes sense.
just all right. I'll try that. I'll see if I can also do this from
So
my end. Although I know
one sec,
I
one
may run
sec,
into issues.
one sec, one
Wait.
sec, one sec, one sec, one sec, one sec.
dir, the directory is it supposed to be?
So the directory
Essentially,
is okay,
where your SSH
let
key
me just
is.
provide the sample varieties like
Is it the directory,
there's
or do we
this
need to route to the file itself, or just the directory is okay?
no, you don't need to route. You don't need to route to the file itself. Just run the
Just the
command
directory.
basically. Yeah,
With that directory,
automatically.
like the directory, like I'm saying the directory, what do we replace it? Do we
Oh,
just
look
do
at it now. It's
the SSH
oh, it's
folder?
like the definitive.
Oh, the name of the file. Okay, that means we need to pick the SSH file itself. Damn, who's that in the background?
Oh my god.
Oh god. So let me run this now.
Nigeria my country.
Users.
The
Okay.
connection was
Slash.
refused though. The connection was refused.
Sorry. Try to your screen to see what's
One sec. Can you see my screen?
I think my own directory is not even correct. So I'm having like uh
I'm not surprised.
So mine
Wait,
is it
says, oh
supposed to
sorry, it's
be
not downloads, it's download. I mean, wait, let me actually
users
confirm.
slash mark? I mean,
okay, show me connection refused. Connection to
Oh, it's
host
downloads.
213.172.99.24.
Oh, you got it too. You
But
got that too.
so it's giving me connection refused.
Yeah, same here too.
Let me see why.
Honestly, we should have probably gone the Docker route for this thing, because Docker would have been like one click. We would not have to worry about all this entire manual setup.
what am I getting with mine is not even I'm not getting the directory. Because I think mine
Look at,
is
just follow this command. Let me send it to Discord.
okay. I think I can
Yeah.
do this instead. Control C.
So that like is it Sigma or tilde? Yeah, that tilde would like take you directly to the root directory. So from there you can route to SSH.
Mm-hmm. I'm not getting anything. What did you get? Connect to host. Okay, connection refused. Mine is not even showing.
Maybe you are connected.
Am I? I don't know, but it's not showing anything. It's just
You just run, right?
Yeah.
Like when you ran it, it just like showed a new like
No, no,
terminal
no.
thing.
He hasn't showed a new. That's what I'm saying. It's just like a
But maybe it's
blue,
trying to connect.
like the cursor is just the exactly. So it's not.
How come this is now being refused? Did you use downloads.pub or downloads? Oh wait, where should we run this from? Are we supposed to be running this from RunPod
No, I
or
did.
like our own?
It's supposed to be your normal terminal.
Yeah, normal terminal.
Yeah, that's where
Oh,
I ran it from.
connect
So
to. Wait, he said operation timed out.
well, that means your own tried to connect them. So what's going on? How come this one is just being refused instantly?
Mm, there should be a reason.
Well,
There's
over
a
two
reason why
hours
it
now.
is acting that way. Wow. I think we have this.
Hmm?
We're saying the server is okay. It's not reachable, or the server is not listening
Mhm.
on the specified blood port.
We're not listening on the specified codes.
Yeah, something like that.
Mm. Why is that happening? Suspect
Wait, that
it.
means yours
So
is even that means yours is even trying to run for some reason. How come this one is not even working
mm,
at all?
it's showing connection restriction on our end.
Let me duplicate this terminal so that I'll just exit. Ah, okay. What else?
I
What
think
else?
we
What
can
else? What else?
better should just try this other command. Try this command here to see maybe you get a different response. So we have this socket UDP for listen front paper fork. This is a just set up. Uh,
Maybe we can ping this endpoint to be sure that it returns something. That host. Oh yeah, it does.
okay.
I pinged this just now and it returns something.
Yeah, I also did
Yeah,
the
I can
same.
see. So
So what could be going on?
so
Mine is just
so
saying
what's the issue?
timeout. Operation timeout.
It's just being refused here. Yeah, if it's process completed, then end it now. What's going on? How do you close this stuff? Let me just close this. You want me to close this tab now?
Some SSH stuff. some networking stuff over here.
For you, honestly,
Wait,
because
I just need to add networking
wait.
to my next set of things to work on. Yeah.
Did we do we need to add this command, this socat command? I think you ran it on your end.
Yeah, no, I wanted you guys.
what does SOCAT?
No, I wanted
What
you
does
guys to
SOCAT
try.
mean?
I
SOCAT is
think
not
basically it's
a.
meant to listen to
Don't we need to
command.
install?
Net is the same. No, it's supposed to listen
Don't we
to
need to install?
requests.
Yeah, but SOCAT. I don't have SOCAT set up locally. Don't we need to like set SOCAT up self before we are able to use it to run
Okay,
commands?
okay, okay, okay. Right. Oh,
Oh, so you are saying
try
it's
this
the same thing
command
as
to
ping,
see.
Abby?
Not yeah, something like that. Yeah, it's
No, we
actually
don't.
supposed to listen to requests, but
Mm,
this is actually what we have from this article. It's supposed to set on the local machine run blah blah blah. So cat it before.
so we cannot
I
use
think.
APT yet. We use brew.
Yeah, but
We
I
cannot
think
use
we can. I
APT
think
get.
we can also do this on the. Oh, uh,
APT. Oh, like on run pod
yeah,
because
maybe that should.
APT gets the run pod thing.
Uh,
Okay.
so I'm actually doing this
Let me
on.
run.
Let me see if this is going to work now. Oh goodness me, it's still the
Wait, do you
same.
have to run?
Why? Okay, now.
Are we installing this again on?
No, I'm just listening for. I don't know. I think wait, this one just listens to. Is it like a watcher or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, okay. So SOCAT. Oh, so it's listening on that port when there's a connection to that port, I guess.
Hmm.
Let me go to
Yeah.
this port. Let me go to this port locally, see what happens.
Let me
So
see.
that's this port.
Um,
I don't think you'll be able to connect to it from there.
Uh, damn, what a stream. I'm actually just glad we are able to connect to this run pod, honestly, because the run pod part was probably like the craziest part.
hmm. No, there's something I'm just missing out in these parameters that are supposed to add to the SSH
What's that?
4321, locals 4321. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Basically, I'm not. There's something I'm not just. If there was a wrong pod, let me see. I'll try and check out something. Wrong pod docs to help. So I'm trying to see if perhaps it's going to add. Oh,
What's that? What's that? What's
wait.
that? What's that?
Wait. Um, so cool. Let me share my screen. So I'm like taking a look at the run pod docs. I'm trying to see why.
Yeah,
So
can you share your screen? Okay.
so I'm seeing this SSH stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
But well, this was basically what we used when we wanted to try and connect. This was for connection. SSH at blah blah blah
No,
and
call
paths.
this SSH host name.
So what we need right now is the part when we try to uh, Let me see if I can search for the keyword SOCAPs. Mm, mm. Let me see. So currently, right.
Mm.
Okay. We'll check up. Yeah, I'm not getting any stuff there. But this is supposed to have
Yo. So wait, the guy doesn't show us what else to do, or maybe I'm missing. Let me read what I have here, though, because
okay.
we've been like this for a while. Did we install ComfyUI Manager? Are we not supposed to install that or something?
No. This one is just actually just about like having the comfy UI on our local computer and then the config stream on the ROM pod communicating. You get
Oh,
that's
okay, I
this
get
is
what you
like
mean.
means of like the communication where so if you look okay, where's the docs? Share this tab instead. Now, if you look at this, it says now traffic sent to localhost 123 from the local machine will be forwarded over the SSH tunnel and will reach 127 blah 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 on the remote server. You get.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
So basically,
Yeah.
what happens is once we set this up, we already have this started on our Jupyter Lab terminal. So what is expected to happen is right now we're supposed to like have this sort of connection from our local machine to the terminal online. You get. So by the time we get the config string, we have the config UI on our
When the
content
request comes
basically.
in, yeah.
So yeah, exactly. So after this, we are supposed to like just do this. This is like the last thing we're supposed to do. But what the issue we're having is just about the parameters we're expected to insert in here. So it says SSH 4321 because I believe these are default parameters. I think these are
Mm-hmm.
default parameters. Notice our remote host. Oh, what's going on? Should we try this? Four, three, two, one.
Mini
How am I
conda.
seeing?
Have we
It's
done step
Emmanuel.
2? Did we do step 2 already?
Yeah, we've done all that. We've done like all necessary things initially. This is just like the
Okay,
final part of it. So we can just generate
you've
the
done
UI.
that. Okay, you've done that
Yeah, we've done
before.
that already.
No, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
we've done
So you said we should.
this. We've done this already. So what we just need to do is these parameters here. What is what the issue is basically.
We're
So
not
I'm
really
trying
getting
to
any error.
complete
So
the.
how do we know there's an error? Only on the front end, sure.
That's right.
So
Okay, can you try to? No. If they're going to work, they are giving us connection successful. But Toby, when you try to ping the 213.173.99.24, it was giving you
mm,
it was successful when you were pinging. Can you
are you
insert
talking
the
about the
port
SSH?
36114? Yeah. When you try to ping it, it was successful. Can you try to put port 36114? I
Oh,
put the
okay.
port with it.
Yeah, sure. Pinging. So you said put three. Let me share my screen back. So what port did you say I should put? 36.
144.
Did you say? For unknown host.
Wait, is it 36144 or 4321?
36144. No. For the remote host is 36144. For the local is 4321.
Yeah, but I'm trying to ping this one now, but it's saying unknown host.
Let me see something.
Oh, ping doesn't use port numbers, so you have
It
to.
doesn't.
Oh,
Can you can you try pinging again?
yeah, that's the
Just
ping
without the
doesn't.
port, without the port.
Ping doesn't use port
Without the
numbers.
port. No,
Okay, yeah,
without the port.
it will work.
Without the port. Just normal.
It will work. Yeah.
To the same. This is a blocker. Guys, let's talk out this right. Okay. Let's say
But yeah, the socket is supposed to be receiving, right?
hmm.
Is the socket receiving it?
Hmm. It's not. I'm not. It's not even. That's why it's not even successful though.
It's not the
But
same
should we
port
do
now.
something? Let's do something. Yeah. Let's try to work around this. The second part of it.
Step
Let me
two.
see. So like this. Yeah. This step. Yeah.
Install ComfyStream. So you said we should um get miniconda something. So this is local
Hmm.
though, yeah, or from the ROM
No,
pod.
this is still
Okay,
on
this is our
the run pod. On the run
ROM
pod.
pod.
Run pod.
Okay, so
Yeah.
let me kill this server. So you said to run this to get a
Okay.
package. So we
I think.
wget,
Okay.
then we mod like change permissions for that. What we just installed. Then we run the script. I'll press enter to continue. Why is it showing me all the like licenses? What did I press? Wow, this is a lot of contracts directly in someone's terminal.
Wait, what command did you run?
I don't, and it's still long. Oh. Hey, good.
Yeah,
How do I
have you
drag this
seen
to the
that?
end? Okay, this is it.
Have you seen that? Is this a new picture or video where it says when you try to install from a a an illegal site and then your terminal opens and closes right in front of you? Just know your
Wait, how do
system is
I?
gone.
Okay, let me run the script again. In order to please review the oh, you have to review the license before you run it. Oh my god. Ah, this is not fair now.
Why are at it? Let me try
Wait,
to figure out why this is.
is this starting again? I thought you just read through the license now.
No, I cancelled. I cancelled to be sure what I did wrong. So apparently, I don't have any choice but to review the entire license.
Oh, okay.
I did just see North Korea. You may not acquire offerings. Oh, okay. Ah, this is a lot to do. Oh, okay. So I will not answer yes or no. Okay, so now it's installing Miniconda. Okay, so now we will now change the workspace, whatever, to use so that everything works on workspace. So that we'll now use which conda to verify that we have conda installed. Yep, we do have conda installed. So now we create and activate a conda environment. Then conda activates ComfyStream. You should activate your ComfyStream. Then we install PyTorch.
The Conda environment already exists.
So no, then
Mm-hmm.
so activate this. Okay, looks like it's activated. Then we install PyTorch. Then after installing PyTorch, there's currently experience and there's a branch with a workaround. So cd here, git clone, cd ComfyStream, then pip install. After that, we copy this tensor utils in the ComfyUI experience. It gives you the load tensor and save tensor nodes, accelerating your live stream workflow. Okay, I've done the PyTorch thing. I'm still in workspace, right?
Yeah, so you don't have to see before.
And it's not an empty directory. Okay, this already exists.
Okay,
I think Jumo has
everything.
already done this.
Mm-hmm. Confusion.
Pip installing, pip installing. Requirement already satisfied. So most of these things are already been installed. So I just okay. Successfully uninstalled. Just finished the thing already. But I don't think any of these things should matter though, because in the end, we're still going to try to bring up the ComfyStream server, which is kind
Mm-hmm.
of weird. Oh, did we do that? Did we do
Well,
any of this before though? So I should copy
any of what?
this command. Open another terminal over port 8889. Did you do this before? Jumo?
Sorry.
I said, did you do this
Um,
before?
Oh, this is like the second
Yeah.
step.
No, this is step
We
4.
have not, where the okay. Are you saying this step three or what?
No, this one. Did you do this before?
No, 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 no. It's the first step we've done for step four. The first part of step four we've done. That's what we are currently on. Sorry, so we're trying to like get
Okay.
this parameter correctly. Okay, I
Then
think I
step 2
can
is
see
stuck.
a.
Step 2 is stuck on this iTouch thing I installed. Or what did I just install? Oh yeah, this pip install I just ran. Waiting for it to finish. Or
Um,
maybe it has already finished. Okay, it just finished now. Uh okay. Okay, so that finished. And we got that warning. Okay, we've copied that. So now we should install depth anything.
yeah, we
Oh,
don't
there's a
need to
lot of
depth anything. It's just a custom node. That's just a custom node. It's not really important.
okay.
It's not important as
Okay, so
steps.
step 4. So step 4 then. So this is the part we
I
should
think the
To
run
be
depth
fair,
next,
anything
right?
is what.
It's
to be
doing
fair,
that
like
thing.
I don't see anything. I don't
Yeah.
see anything we are doing wrong on the SSH command for connecting. I don't know. This connection refused.
So you said we should open another terminal over port 8889. How do we do that?
Port 8889. Confirming. Let me see what you're saying. Um, it, it's just okay. So it's just on the run port server. Like you just like you trying to connect to it in another place.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
But but no, but for this one is supposed to be in your local. This is your local.
It looks like
Let
I
me
just
see.
connected.
Let me see. This reset.
So maybe I was not connected before.
Can you run it again first?
It's probably just resets it again. Okay, I've run this now. Then run the installation. Okay, I think we already installed this too. So we need to open a new terminal window with port 8889.
Hmm. I'm trying to even see where my I'll see this. Okay.
So it
And
says I'll open a new terminal,
mhm.
new tab. Yeah, but like if I'm opening a new terminal, I need to
You
still
have to. You
log
have
into
to.
my run pod again.
That's on it.
Okay, so exit this one. This one I'm going to exit like this because wait, it's not exit. Or maybe the command is not
Okay.
exit. Maybe it's deactivate or something.
Connection.
No, it's exit now. Oh no, it's not exit. It's conda. It's conda deactivate. My bad. So let me open a new terminal. Okay, cool. So now
Is
I
it
just
this?
what's that command? Huh?
Yeah, no, like I'm thinking that I hope it's not the fact oh, because this the command for the SSH whatever that we've been getting connection refused
Mm-hmm.
since
Mm-hmm.
I'm hoping that it's not that I hope it's not the fact that we're supposed to run it on the run pod workspace itself.
I think that is a very valid possibility. So now I'm in run pod on the second terminal. So I'll just run this now.
But I mean, from the docs, it doesn't show it's supposed to be.
Is it download? So download.
Downloads not accessible. No such file. Or what? There's no way it's telling me no such file because this is it right here. .ssh, which is the folder, and then there's a downloads. So why is it telling me no such file or direction? Oh wait, because running in your ROM pod. Yeah, so there's no
Mm-hmm.
such. Yeah. So Jumo, do you know what the SSH file of ROM pod is?
SSH file for run pod.
Yeah, like on the ROM pod.
Can you
If you say like
just
an SSH, I can just find it here.
I thought you don't send me on the directory.
There's no SSH here. Maybe I can find it. Interesting. What's the name of the? Damn it! I don't even know what the SSH file the SSH file for ROM pod is. Is there a way to like check it? I don't even know where to start looking.
No, 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 no. No, the
do
thing
you even
is,
need it?
like, what we just
I don't
need, we've done what, no, we don't need that. We already have, like, we already authenticated to the run pod instance already. The issue we're having right
So we
now is
don't.
just that we need to, like, connecting to the run pod instance such that they'll be communicating between the ComfyStream and ComfyUI on our local computer when we are running the front end. You understand? That's
Mhm.
where, that's basically where we are, like, blocked. So this is just a blocker.
Yeah, we should probably ask on the general group chat still, but I think we've gotten pretty far honestly. We can always just
Yeah.
ask
No,
the
that's
guys.
just the only thing. Yeah.
But I'm glad
We
we
just
went
need
this
to
far sha,
like
because we set up ROM pod and the other things. But yeah,
mm,
CDSSH. Yeah, actually, let me try what JC Code I just suggested. I can actually just do this. Let's see if it's possible. CD um SSH. This is correct, right? Oh no, sorry. .ssh. Let's see if it will find it. Yeah, no such file directory. I think it's because Linux. So Linux has a different setup apparently. So for where the SSH folder is located.
And I don't even think we
mm,
need the SSH on the ROM pod
Yeah, because it's ROM
to
pod
get.
anyways. Because ROM, yeah,
Mhm.
unless we're running it locally.
Once you have access to the ROM pod, there's no need for any SSH.
Maybe we should take a
mm,
screenshot of the error. Let's run that command again and take a screenshot of it so that we can ask people. We can ask so that we like get clarity.
okay. Yeah,
Because
let me guess.
you can just run it and take a screenshot with the error so that we can ask and get clarity on it. Because I mean that's pretty much all we've done. We've explored ComfyUI, of course ComfyStream, we've seen the workflows. We just need to like run it. Then after running, we'll start like making our own workflows and stuff. So I think we've
Mhm.
gotten pretty far, honestly.
Mine is even saying, mine was something about, what's it called? Timeout, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So that means you don't even like try to connect or something. Let me check
Hmm.
Discord.
Well, I
Did you
mean,
send it on Discord already?
let's just repeatedly try to. Yeah, I sent it to the. Wait, let me see. Would you download and send it to the issues or where? Where do you send it to?
No, I
You
sent
no
it to
send it.
the,
Just
to
send it to
the
the Connect group chat
connect.
so that they can.
Yeah.
Yeah, and tag Ryan because his name is on the commands here. So you can just tag Ryan. Maybe he has the answers or something. Tag Ryan and Eric or something because Eric wrote the guide too.
Okay.
He just said his name is on the command.
Oh, was that what I said?
Yeah.
Oh,
like
yeah, on that command now.
like the command belongs to you. Yeah. Like the way the way it came out
Oh, okay,
was
okay,
a
okay,
bit funny
okay.
because yeah, his name is on the command too. Uh,
Okay, awesome, 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 awesome. I think this was a W stream,
Oh,
honestly. We went very far. It's how do I enter the camera again? Okay, this way. Yep, I'm inside now. Okay, okay.
I thought it was just
Uh,
boring.
yeah. Thank you everyone for coming by today. Honestly, for me, that's like my own sign out speech because we've gone through a lot today. Did a lot of terminal and networking stuff and working with remotes, VMs and everything, and which was like really exciting to get to do on stream because I mostly do these things like off stream. I've never really done on stream, so it's exciting to do that today. So yeah, thank you all, Emmanuel and Jumo. You guys can go.
yeah. So today has been about um, a whole lot of terminal commands and Linux command basically. So I mean we're not even able to get the setup to run, right? But at least we're able to troubleshoot some issues and moved on. Except for this one we are having. I mean, if we
Yeah,
had time, we would have probably continued debugging. But I mean, we've spent over 3 hours now, so
yeah,
yeah, I think it's best we just keep this. So as you said, we have like this cohort with live peer, so we have other experts. Uh, it's like we're on like a group Discord channel basically. So we have people we could reach out to help us take a look at this, and that's what we're going to do. So we just wanted to do this so that we could you know get the hang of like what uh setting it up looks like. So and I'm happy we're able to follow the guide and get something get to a certain extent. So yeah, so it's a good
mm-hmm.
one. uh
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, Jumo, thanks for like walking us through the run pod. Because I think the if you had done like the comfy UI stuff directly, well maybe we wouldn't have even gotten up to this extent of like
Setting up
getting all
Rumpod
this stuff.
and
Yeah.
yeah.
So yeah, thanks for stopping by. So Jumo, any final notes? Uh,
Yeah. Okay. First is to Nigerian networks, especially the so-called 5G routers. They should do better.
Sorry.
The starting was the starting was so embarrassing. But okay, regardless, like ComfyUI,
Damn.
all right. Wow, that's it. That's it. That's what we're talking about. That's Nigerian network, yeah.
the
Jimo,
network
next
still had
stream.
to
All
come.
right.
Jimo, next stream, yeah.
Someone
Yeah.
said
Try
4.5.
Jimo, next stream,
Someone said
try using
4.5.
this thing. Jimo, next stream, try using this thing. What's it called?
The
Do you know that
cable,
cable?
Ethernet cable.
network,
Yeah,
network
Yeah.
cable.
yeah. Yeah, it's good
Internet
for
cable.
streaming. You
Mm.
can, yeah, you can try the internet cable like
Ah,
directly. Me, I'm using Wi-Fi right now, and I'm
okay.
even shocked that
Mm.
it did not break. So I don't know why
Wow.
that's happening. I'm using 5G as well, but at
I'm
least
not sure.
internet is always much better if you are doing streaming again, or
Yeah,
even
Yeah.
now, so we can start using it from now.
Mm. Yeah, I'll take a look at that. I'll try that next
Yeah.
time. But like
Okay.
all the same. Yeah, so Comfy UI, Comfy Stream is kind of a very, very nice stuff to work on. We've had like series of calls trying to see out different workflows, custom nodes that people are already working on. Right. We are very,
Mm-hmm.
very new to Comfy UI. We do not have any prior experience. We've not done anything working with Comfy UI, Comfy Stream. But the idea behind
Yeah.
the technology is very nice to see how we can basically implement AI workflow videos. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, while I'm on the stream, you can basically see an AI representation of myself, either like another person. So I think one of the hackers on like one of the developers, those working on this project, was it no, not Eric, forgotten the name. But I think it was let me just quickly clear the name of the guy. Yeah, Yon Dun. Yeah, Yon Dun. Yeah, I
okay,
hope I
yeah,
got
yeah,
the pronunciation right.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So there was this workflow. Yeah, I think it was the one or it was someone else that worked on this custom node. Basically, while I'm like on a video screen, I can
Mm.
represent myself as another person. More like I can represent myself as Elon Musk. You understand? But it's that but the
Oh.
way I'm moving, my movements and everything, yeah. In one of the meetings it showed a sample. Like one of the meetings we had. So these are just one of those things we are looking at and testing, yeah. And see now we can also bring it to stream to peer, right? Basically for our audience and those who be looking forward to make good use of
Yeah.
it. But behind the scenes, there's a lot of like costs of like running these instances and running these kind of
Yeah.
things.
A lot.
So you can't
A
really
lot.
expect, yeah, you can't really expect it to be free to use. I mean, this kind of AI representations now, you can't expect it to be free to use because a lot of like we need to know how to manage the costs and budgets and all. So, but
Mm.
hopefully in the next call, in the next stream that we'll be having, we will be able to set up everything and then test these custom nodes and then looking forward to how you guys can also see the end results at stream to peer. Right.
Yeah. Agreed.
yeah.
Agreed.
Well said,
Thank.
Jumo.
Yeah. Thank you all for being here and for joining us again this week. Catch you all same places, same time, next week. Have fun, enjoy your weekend, and happy New Year to everyone.
Yeah, happy
Happy
New Year. Start start the year on a positive note, and have fun,
New
basically.